me dofupa. What is saying? Mate ho ya me danyame ase. Onyame ehira na mesra ma. Na dum emra wo so. Na ye die enware wo anapawe na nwumre. Aha Adom TV. Na dwumadie we ye nkranhyensem. Me a me de ho chia me, edi am je so ni tekotego. Me nko asa na efre me. If your life were to be a house, or if your life were to have been made up by 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, 4. So abrabo asheshede enan esoro nifa benkum ne efom. How would it look like? You know, if your marriage, if your health, if your life were to have been made up of 4 walls, up, left, right, and down, what will each wall depict? For me, my life has 4 walls. And I have decided to build the 4 walls with first me at the top. So the upper wall is me. Until wabrabo near that shono eye wo. The be kura wo e wo soro no eye neoma miensa. The jam nifa benkum ena na e wo fom. Me fama brabo a. The benkum me friend discipline. How do I subject myself to standards? High standards of living. Am I disciplined in my life? Am I responsible? How do I show respect to others? How integrous am I? Benkum wono asumi wa hohyeso. Benkum asumi opepepeyo. Benkum asumi di no kure. Benkum asumi di obuo mankrofo a me ne on ekoba. So the left wall is built by standards. The right wall is generosity, selfless. Some me to me when see why ya ade ma obi anya mfaso. Some me pe ade e safata na mayo na mabusua ene wo man mfaso abamu. Emfa ho ne amenya. Are you generous? Some me ya ade na me hukani ani agye. Some me ya ade na me ma aho aton won. Some me ya ade na me bro no amete so so. When hu me so mfaso. Am I being generous? That is my right wall. Now, the wall beneath is to be resolute. I'm desperate for results. You can't resolute. Me pe. Abrabo, and your mapa. Desperate for results. So these are the 3 walls that carry neat ekotego. Discipline, generosity, and being resolute. Also, bet you wall. The walls you build for your life will determine how far you go in life. And then the person will be saying, what are the walls of marriage? The first wall of marriage is being passionate. Or de ewa kumemu abribiara and found sem from swaba. What de being passionate. The second wall is being intimate, having a sense of communication. Being there with the person and joining hands to make decisions together. Sa woni ni pakro tie na okon do no abribiara na efe woni ni nyankita hodi a sa bi obuo ene nyansan wo mu enya bufuo ene oyawdie na ase no eye commitment say wasi nkete say mewa wawu. These are the 3 walls of marriage: passion, intimacy, and commitment. Fadisua, there are wars. Sacrifice. And everyone says, "What me jam?" And for echo dance, what the person kete me suade. And for sabi, di aten mfani di man for what the person kete say me de metu asheda, me de sefata. And I'm learning adisua. And akrakra no so one kasa wo so ho ahwe ehunu say udimu self assessment. Abrabo ayebu no walls. Life is made up of walls, and you are sitting at the top. The kind of walls you build will make your life stand strong, or it will crumble. When it comes to marriage, when it comes to health, a bano apomudnia exercise. So we train to wapum exercise. So we pay and pay the nya didie keke, nya dokoreche na no keke. So we dey aduane pa, aduane ahoden wo mu, aduane adodie wo mu, vitamins wo mu. Exercise and good eating and rest and sleep. So we pay emre adayi. That will give you a good life. Exercise, balanced diet, and good sleep. But on top of good sleep are good relationships. Papa no papa, or what we call social support systems. These are the walls that build a healthy life. Exercises, balanced diets, rest and sleep, and solid relationships. The first one, me mauni teko, me walls. Also, me answer abrabo because what ben na me say my abrabo because me first wall na what been kuno discipline. One me sheshe wall no back discipline. Generosity. Me na metia say walls no any ahoden a metofom. So walls ni gina ho ahoden a the walls you react for your life determines how you can go in life. Whether in your family, whether in your relationships, whether in your education, whether when it comes to, let's say, your marriage, the walls you build will determine how far you can go. I have built my life walls. Sometimes things change. You can always change the walls you built. You can always remove one wall and replace them. There are times I replace and bring respect. There are times I bring responsibility. There are times I bring innovation. And there are times I bring being resolute. But whatever it is, build walls for your life. Walls. Walls are important for a great life. Walls are important for a very rewarding life. Every life you see around is made up of walls. And the walls you build will determine how strong your life will be. For some people, they build lives of godliness. But they want to eradicate so. For some also build life based on the word of God. And some also build life based on fellowship. Good. But regardless, you should have wisdom. Nyansa. And wisdom is made up of knowledge and understanding. And so when you see who and entiase or the abisuano. So bet me asi wala nyansa. Bet me asi wala ya jumaden. Na also asi wala sebe. Say what two one see or say we there sefata. There are so many ways you can build your walls. But I have chosen to build my walls based on discipline, generosity, and resolute. I don't know how you want to build your walls. But you can build your walls. From today, I know you have what it takes to build strong walls in life. Build a strong wall. Ma brabo anshishaye enyina fapim papaso. Na yedi ebedwaro. Abusuan ha na meja wo. Me ko na me da Thomas, me camera ase. Me da Frank, me sound. Na ma da MCR for ne floor manager and a lighting for ase. Na ma production na ma da Sarah, Thomas, Priscilla, da chehine anywhere be campedo ase. Wa hwe me so na ase nya wo de. Woni onyame. Enti. Me dofo pa.
I'm watching Yada Wasepa, Umbrano Wadaji, Adom TV, Badwam, na de do sono, Badwam Cassian, some near to your movie, ya Ubertini, Major Mahama, ye nipa bi abro no kumno, denture boissano, one more, Yesu so womunim hubieno, baby akosie mede bro. Chairman wound to me so ekokopie Kumasi Traditional Council, you could see say, and only Sembina no pay. Mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 YouTube Adom TV 2 Mede de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsam ni chiremo ankasa etie Abusiafo ya wonde hye Major Mahama enipa bi ebro no kum no e wodenkyerebo ase ne womakoma to wonyem efise nipa no dodo no ano ye sone so ewie mu dumienu de yesusu se womo enim abemu ano ewuo no hu bi womo eka ho nti enra court atena se ama womo aye ne se sa nipa dumienu ne de yemfo womo nko hye afiase na yensen wono ahoma no nso mfiate afiase asase so na sa kokodon de Ghana yenya nru ho abusiafo ani agede nenso womodofo no enya de so betimi aba mu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso.
Yes. For me, that's actually the most important lesson to be drawn from this. That indeed there is no point at all engaging in mob justice. Because clearly, we have seen a situation where a person who was innocent, was gruesomely murdered under such circumstances. And I believe that the whole nation will learn from it and need to put an end to mob justice in Ghana. I was quite appalled to see the videos of Major Mahama on social media. But again, I must also congratulate the investigative team as well as the prosecutorial team, which also put together all the necessary pieces of evidence for the court.
Punishing them will serve notice to anybody who wants to kill an innocent person. You have to be careful.
I thank God for bringing the case to a conclusion. Though the verdict will not bring my son back, it will serve as a deterrent to such ill behavior so that someone's son or daughter will not suffer the same fate. The pain of losing a son in that manner is so excruciating that I do not wish that for anyone. Consequently, the onus lies on all of us who abhor instant justice to put our hands on the wheel to ensure that the memory of our beloved Major Mahama is immortalized through our united effort to care.
Santimante mujam tenene de ma MPP amanyoko Benadentri Boasia kom enenei traditional Kumasi Traditional Council. One more ejano se wonko ewo nsembia ni yesusu se wokan ye ma etia wote kokoso asante hene Adom TV edeba
seminar say the converting MPP vetting the council of elders chairman mention intina we entitled to say the come na me vetting committee mention the na me chairman je kodu ho no na MP wa vetting okọ ti o wa na hu say the organizer about chairman chain and na be castle see na after asomo mo kan ye dey ante be na yan tokwa na me pattern into me constituency chairman what me chain no ka chain say chairman na woni akura kasa o pata wonti nti asomo e ba first ni say hwe obi antimi hye me tuoi even otu for kwa kasem na me ni na da me kama da kire. First one, second one, na me to ka first one na me mchiri ma ka hwe o be no asaba me ma ya the kingdom oh to me it was spoken
eno achi anoma twankunya e ma santimantem mu titrani chairman untumi akonya se ono nso enyi ne ho ano ewo ne kwadu a kokosoman hen na nakwadua e de aboro no
na de wo twa esa no onim se da chiachi nti on ka kire no and when all catches, I didn't know when you want dance here. I didn't know when you go what dance here. Let's just about the costro. Tabra or the Cassane costro, you know. And now, a man, Mr. McCatcher, the same. Abuba, get out from here. I had the hire in my office. Let's say, oh, did you?
Yatwa Casiano, a so ne Kumfi Traditional Council, so one wadi, Yaman Penny, and another Danko Kufuado, and who yao. Sena let me be in a numo ekase di entia and then puntu onkoso ewo Kumfi nyina so womo to abanutia MPP candidate na wojina ewo 2020 election no emo Kingsley Atukuju Adom TV etwaso.
We are extremely shocked by these statements and struggle to believe them to be true because we particularly did not believe that the president, who is mandated by the Constitution to be responsible for the development of the country, would politically segregate the country and treat others with disdain and dislike, and vehemently deny us development because we did not vote for his preferred candidate. By our understanding, of the very constitution which recognizes free and fair elections, one of which made His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the president. There is no provision in the 1992 Constitution which mandates the president to decide who the people of Ekunfin, or for that matter, any other constituency, must elect to represent him in parliament.
We was signed to just say, and send be a better just say, I am for be a copy Mampeni, a try, one more out on a name say, can you Mampeni, Johnny Tamosa, when you baby crony who and Himuno, one found some emetu Janina Nadia, a no crefree say, 1 month more be a say, Uncle Mampeni, share, and Quanquaje are in Chirimuno.
To set the record straight, the man of a Ekunfin traditional area, who is the paramount chief, or therefore watching the age, has not. And I want to say this clearly for you newsmen and everybody to hear. I and my chiefs has not elected or delegated neither anybody nor any group of persons to His Excellency the President.
By to Akasiano so na University Staff Union members says say crowded on better aduane ama no abusia na ho ayedene aban condition of service no hwe say obetime dey ama wo mo no ho aheha wo ebi ene Adom TV kase edi nkomwe
de mesre aban ne say edwumani bia efata na ketua de ekosu ya penchen ekosu ama efie bebre entokwa ne ade na esim esanse na 29 yentu ayeka yenhu yenim da yaketua no eba yempeni no aka kire say yetie tu sika no so 9 months akem ye papa nom ye mame mu a omwo yenim medical co pension omonsanka omusika. You can imagine pension mu abrabo owo adwuma kra tesan na wo pension enti be sre aban ne say yesika bia akamu bia no yesre no kotodwa bufom na ondane yesika emaye na asundwe embra University of Ghana campus
so no park no be adwuma yobeko school so we say ho ka baba me fa no to and from aduane sika na ade say say the me bra ikan yetisifie. If it's not there's a be a person and today Monday you should be in the office working, but because of strike action, you know, we are to be University of Saban say, you can come to 2 near the matter for a whole 9 months and Sankano. Or Momodia say, and Saban, a bit me a car. The man to a woman, I say, in Sakanilano. Or Momodia say, we are quite another Bajuma. Yes, 7 and 29.
Mamina no suna Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana no pay Hana Bema Quina Media Sia, Seda Odia, and Ren Wadaji. You a fin of the one cratano, I a crowd on the online stories. No. Aminyan kratu isimaki tuwe yenche yade twaso. Yada se mwakwa babiem Adom TV Badwam na wo hye no mre no wadaje a wo hye yenti aseda nkomon. Erade mfa nkomra sumdwe maye. Erade ohwe yenso anaju de suemu. Brand enim ye ho so hwe na wamade achi ye no obehwe wo no fie wodi fie no afie bem akran kakra na ye 30th serade de be church na de ahye bosumi foforo ma ho din mo serade mani si uye enwie uye de bonkrata no wa ha online stories no bin so e wa ha na mi senior se ben so airtime wa ha ya ye krado e de bonkrata ni nsema hodo a nsaka no ebro eda se pa chi ni benchefo be me na no pay me mu ache
me pede waju so a
e bia bopo
oba papa bibia e kama
e di nyame ase
a cameraman na eja o si ti agro sa January na ko very smooth odi dance ya da nyame ase to ono no dia ko smooth na to wonswe akose you know so eno for instance no ye share wa say mama grace gift, right? Na asem we are no be any how share nim kwan. In fact, we dey when you 93 ko be an share nim kwan just sell before. So that's it. Enti onyame na betutu anamo see you. No yi free so for the video. No wa koso ma hito for agina tu bia asem ya nkwase asem. No baby e dey koso we see there. Wo nkwa na wa dey because your next step e bia am catch you. Your next step is here. You didn't come. The next, if we are me PM debate mercy. That's how the world is now. In the case, tina trading po new nasia. Yenim the entire kasa because new nasia. Even though some of these things will come, but maybe because where you were free and your manim kakra mo pie. Go we say isu. Apart from physically, one kasa so hwe wanam 2 year wadidie unsu awonom wonsa on de oye bia no ese odi ahwe to ho no ahwe ni nyina mu no so no you need a certain covering, and that covering dey bia dey free nyame tiesre enne de obisi general na ko smooth. In fact nyame ni ese command na dey ni na ko smooth, but it will be very difficult to have it smoothly like that. But ochuri nyame dia, it doesn't matter as what beba, you will still sail through smoothly. To me, the more joining cameraman watching in ground of say all the other months. Omunti and some background February, ne April, ne March, ne May, ne the edit June, July, umpeu ebeko smooth. The GD say ebeko smooth. Because there are 2 things, uncle smooth ebeko bad. The bad the ebe pamne free ho. Ni smooth na kwa copy me wiye. Ti say the general yako smooth ama me cameraman na matapu in no. February go smooth, March go smooth, April go smooth, June, July ni May ni go smooth, October, August bibi go smooth akopim December 2024 ebe go smooth. Ti ada pay slogan ano onyaminti ebe go smooth. What I say? Onyaminti o ebe go smooth. Tu do be twa ni be hwa na amanfo twaadwo na mo tete na mo ebi wo be hwa na hoya na ni bre wo be kwa na obi ma abopo bi se woni mu ngwase adwuma se eno nya problem. Eno de enya problem. Another efino no eno enya masem efia man kwa de kan. Ti ene enya asem no efise onyaminti ebe ko smooth. So what is she na se sa de se olivu. Na so so anope wutri mpone se ukotu agina tuo bi a upo bi ahwe ase na nim guase a o pese obi koto amene bi wo de wa ade wo so anope nyina de wo ye no se obi ukọ asema tu obi so wa onim se adanse a ukodi wo court enei enye ne kwa so no ukodi ame de obi akọ afiase je so awie ebe ko smooth ama nyame nti ubodu court no ubie wa no na afa mfa na ototo papa so sa obo na mfa adanse kurumu ti ya do bi ase se o Ghana ni nko ade ya da wase wa be kan ho so Ghana so emu akwaba aha ye kuru papa onyame ahire aka ni emu nipa na me kan obi se be sesan adwene ni adwene papa ama Ghana adufudi pe ne doso ye fum ade de ya kwa se dodo na so nye dia adufudi pe na doso ni bre na doso anwo ya na doso ti yenye nyoma ese fata ma o man puntu otimi konkan na de for addition ho ne apomuden ni akwan bibia ma asetran kama no bibia nko kama emfa mai why bigiri se o ne ma ya dwe na brada na me bo ahwe from 18
oh still
and that brother the
machine say beginning of the day can be say
yeah machine say hom no Kenya wa
Kenya ya masa Kenya una we ya ma hom mi ada
we da kuma primba o hom ni Kenya kwa still that be da so ya the SM it no na brother ye be pon no nkrumpa mu minute adwunu num ne ma be na hihye musa
na bebre wo mu ye wie pe na hu say professor Yike wala se ba na fe agudie mu ono de agudie mu ba afia pomodin myopia no se egusu aye to asa nkomo
myopia
especially nkwada on say go ha onhunu ade ben no a onhunu sa de ne nkra wo ebi but ebi no ntimi express no ho
okay
to o ka kra onhu sa de no o kan kra onhu so ebi no problem say de o kan enya bre nkwa check ye ni no se bia ye kama ye ni ya ye mo ho ban
papa
ma ya re ma so ansan na wa rush because enya say
no
enya say ye de she enya for life bia keke light see ye so no
pe bi nto eni wasem
crazy say brand na so de but then o kai de bia first no won kai but what difference no
oh yeah
Mr. my cameraman so monye mo de mo ko test because money na mo de hwe race na sa no
enough for
na de unhunu so wunyini no mo so wunyini yesre mo ayi wa adwuma permanent ide na obia bone ne hu ba hu komo beba na afi ya hu se penso awram asemidi kan so ho na pensem mu so abanko mo bi so ho a ebedie na kwabna ya kan say die na yemfa ya concept Emma Grace Gift Hospital no ne abusuakuo ni nyina na we die what a shock no ebi nie oba papa Dr. Mrs. Grace Buadi ana Buadu oba nyame fa kransie wate nyame na nanim de oye no ote ne oye ase ye shock mame pa ti ye mohwere e doctor hu bi erade nhyemo na mo abusua workers ene client mo kone na so kwaje ayarhwe amechechiri ye nyina yewre ene ye nso multimedia isi ene ne ye adwuma e wa oba ha beton ne dwaton de ti aye abusua no ti we de erade nchechiri mu nyina awre baako na de asie enkwa chi ebi nsi abusua no mo bio emma ne kunu erade nchechiri mu wre wate emu oya na me kan de abesi senya me ya adoma nso a weekend software ski ya software ski bo software ski din a enye aya o say owo anim ho gina ho but software ski eni ho ti erade emfa ma regan eni abusua ni nyina nso onchechire mo wre won kam ho na de papa agya no wachire bia no erade nya nsianamu emfa momo ti mu meka ye ho na me ya doma memenda ewo tema committee sample 5 on e be bibia muni mo software ski me bebre momra meka ye ho ni nkogya eda mo ase na eni ji sema ewo mu ye nyina Muhammad ye na so
say no na bre me ho kwa so ba ni nyina mu so
kwabna oko
nyina mu
nti pa mo hwe be man mo nyamfo fefefe kama sei wakuno ena mo ye nti mo hange mo ye ni sa akokoduro no mo da mu sa na mo didi free nso wakuno ejire ne man kudai by now bi mo nya be me how many abe 8 6 di ombenya or 10 wakuno yesere mo me anya hwe yi mo me hwe hu yi me famra ne
si yes se hade wu kwa no
oh yeah na say ni yes nti hwe ne ya nyusu as a scapegoat
that is the word
yeah
that's my
oh yes Sererade se me nyusu as a scapegoat like as a woni ye do better committee we yes inti
2024 for be anti committee
no
empire
Sererade man empire enkwa chiri
and this is a conversation we've had here
yes
say empire say the be scapegoat painful
sir
now that me catch us say JB JB we should very sensitive pamcho and per assembly asamba member of parliament ebesi na ye ka say
ehu na JB ba ku ye ko no we ayi honorable ye
Mankesim
ofile Hayford
Mankesim
free onnam ana wodidi na onnom we are bold ayi bese akokọ kura ukum na etesai aw hwewu nu anim show ni anim aboni tuo na de aboni na mu mpo
the question sir and also another dangerous thing in this country no kwa
mo me hwe hu ye what ye wura election mu yesremo aya bato e de obi bedi nkro obi behwe ama bufu nhwe mu nkodi awu ti wo ye bo pa 2000 ne 5000 ti 10,000 waje obi nkwa free nsem obi deshi obi busuani mo me hwe hu ye what afi we de mo me enye ne sa unu obi nya adwene a mra no wo court amususu duabo no dɔɔso nsuo no kwa mabre ka hu ne nsuo awie wo ye na apagya na mbodua dua ne dɔɔso fo asɛm manyame ɛbo no fa ɛkyɛ no wɔto nso a empa ho kora ko straight ti esra mu duabo bebre mu nteso munyai na wo nia obodi dua mnafu ahye ye ɔte hɔ yi a wo nam didi dan wo ye okay omi ehwe ehu ye wate mo mi odo na di wo ya brabo mo odo oba papa bi na okoi mi gina we ye fefe a mo hu me fefe beto brebi na mi ni ho ekọ nene manso ane metwe na ekosi se omi ehwe ehu ye wate mi no do ye ho ya no ye ho do nua sa wo ho komunia because of politics honorable be ma fefe ye kọ ne mpasua so kodi nkomo kama na ye call ni 2 weeks time a yes ya boni tu akro Ebepim saa bere. Yenhu bia. Saa, yenhu bia saa. Yenhu obi nso abi ani. Eden ba kwa afiase by hanging. Why na e ko hanging no? Nti saa, nti wo yesa ye ma wo. Wo mi asese suba ai. Ye no ye hu, ye nyonko se ye hu. That's it.
All right, yeah, we be here. Say, but daily guide him just a brief one. Major Mahama, 12 Major Mahama killers cage for life. Any man say the surprises, MPP internal primaries, no, parliamentary primaries, no. Yeah, Dr. Gideon Boako Tadonos, we in your bar Frida Pempefio, yeah, Mammy Gloria Usu, Trobo, we Moses and in the free ho. Era Mike Okwe Jr., Dom Kwabinya, Adra Safos, we know everyone. So these are the surprises across on these major constituencies. The Ghanaian Times is so at the Major Mahama who said no aside the Bank of Ghana so in Komwa at the almost the aba. Sansona a futuba kwakwama yena dismiss fake election year prophecies. Reverend Dr. Hiagba one catch Ghana for say I want to buy commercial hold on neighbor. Tienye careful. Edisi and MPP primaries one seminar say I cover almost all our online stories no. It's here called Ama Professor Wallace and the Agukensi Aba.
Akwaba kese be on the bar Adom TV so Adom TV so be jonju media so dia we can see we senpai sa kana no pen suja medin the Prof EK Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunyana me kono kwanten kodin small do sa kana no pen su bio e wo Ghana gudim eba Kingdom Herba the Kingdom home estate nso abepe so into Mr. Kingdom Herba the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules naba New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules so your member group more than that set me ke betia boa and edit tremendous capsules man do no on set me ke benu so timi boa e maniama 822 year edema na fe Kingdom Home Estate edit dan papa with a modern touch no dey ba affordable we boga na so tia buruchire na so woga na ha obobranye sika krap dan bi etia san Thomas Madjoa Kingdom Home Estate ho danse na medema no bambo ho sem kama ho na fe nyinim kane ba na fe so ba wa tutumika fo ni kire Kingdom Home Estate for catch na fe penfo e ma dan papa bi entiento obetia fe Kingdom 0536149961 0536149961 na on a Kingdom phone penfo ntwetwe nkumo ye kan Kingdom a omse no challenger omuso ni ti pen bia ba bia enti ni ebo mpuni mpo ebetia sa hwe se dru na apato ana se dan na apato ebehwa boa e ma niam etiantutu ye dia ma after Game Park Games edit the eagerly anticipated pick one game na aba arrival with the bank but more than that so do between San Jim numbers no try from 1 to 36 na between San twa Mr. Okita 1 Ghana cedis and kopem 350 Ghana cedis between twa now where the 26 times will stake no until we try 1 Ghana cedis Saudi times 26 into teams and pasika be dama and our between San Kadale star 946 hash all networks na fe ubetwin download na fe wetin ko www.gamepark.com na fe onim pen for 28 cedis so on Adom TV so draw na todwa best 9 am 12 no eba so na fe 6 pm etim eba so 20 anopa obetun de awia wadi awia nso obetun de anwumre obetun de anopa de awia san de anwumre nyina san de apesto no efend double silencer na boa maniama etian kwedi ama Game Park Games say more mula more power regulated by the National Authority unim fingo twa fa hunyim esan se chacha ediwa wadwene betian abomutin betian hihye wani sukura ebetian who are you enitia na ode adwene kakra etian ton tiwemu ene sponsors ne mu etoturo to ne twetwe twa na no pa mu techira boa ema ede awo kense hu sempa ensaka 8 meja yen sha semfa fi Spanish La Liga results etian sa pm na Getafe 4 etmeche Granada etwam 2-0 ewo sa kense boni akoma na hwa agro ewa Adom TV so Spanish La Liga nkomo kakra etian sa pm on ye eja na fi entintom and so EPL English Premier League fixtures outdoor nyame adom no so betuan samba so wo Nottingham Nwerem Nottingham Forest nyame adom omne Arsenal for na dia kensi ni behia na afei Fulham and Everton bɛhyia kan Luton Town and Brighton and Hove Albion the bɛbɔ so na afei nso bɛma Crystal Palace wɔn Sheffield United and so de abɔ so Aston Villa bɛto so de Newcastle United na ɔmo ɛhyia kan wei ne fixtures anyame adom no so betia pim no ana de ho sunsun so 8 Jan Tempa so yɛnkɔ African Cup of Nations 2023 round of 16 matches ni mu ayɛ ne sementa ohwɛ sena nema esi kwa na ese nura na dwede som na anika Cape Verde Islands for team Mauritania etwemeka bako ɔmantimi ante Cote d'Ivoire host nation ɔmo Senegal 90 minutes of soccer fiesta all one and it means people but the penalties celebrity the boys from the men Cote d'Ivoire for winning 5-4 on penalties against Senegal the defending champions it means people our Kensi Kesia it means to Ivory Coast the host nation Senegal the defending champions 1-1 and after the extra time 10 times later now say separated the boys from the men what the penalty in the Kobase Ivory Coast host nation Sampa a new broom sweeps but an old broom knows all the corners into the PM Osaka Kessi 22 Jano and the matches not as to Mali and Burkina Faso at the Bepemsona from Morocco and South Africa for and so at the betting times na fair Senema ABC Jumedia also a distill on Afcono now member of parliament at the North Samuel Okuja to a Blackwa or no so the revelations be about for Ministry of Youth and Sports or more budget Tommy and Kranicha say 8.5 million United States of Americans dollars and we Blasters campaign for 2023 African Cup of Nations na hon komo a watching ebini
documenta mlashebedwani okujeto ablakwa aduato montene no wo kire se ena ano a Black Stars nkofo pusa wonum se Ministry of Sports en fa budget om de call Cote d'Ivoire metudwa no o ma mfa ma ntene ono ne nsa ka wo kire se 8.5 million dollars ene akire ena Ministry of Sports epejade Cote d'Ivoire o wan kan ho nsem ankire obia nsem no batu dwa no apogana fo pusa akopem se after tournament ye egusu boy obi obedi nkunim no wo chikruwa no asanso age $7 million edi nti o man Ghana at the budget $8.5 million in the call ye dia na kire se ye call ya na se ye bai nti nsem ya ba ye dedede wo kromu a amansa ndwene ho a wonte ase
and also it means people no but Ghana for BGD pass Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa say Kobasi body na to say page and kwan e defend the brand so betian saboa emaniama etian sa to yi
media and abano kra wache ye wo Ghana ye nim sports ministers bebraba we dey me kan say ye west kra o
sports minister no brand wa bere so mo sesa no no mpe foforo be shemu
it's on sesa no it's important. Let me be fair. It's important. I'm not seeing any change. I'm not seeing anything that is there to help our football. I feel it all.
In many ya on for the juman to form. Na yempe for the financial. Hence I think padia. I dey be so me we ya de kutu.
Minister ni de wa feel poto bra. Di omo nyi ne to je na mpe abrante bi mra na say the kroma.
Ti Ghana for nkomo bia omo bo abonte no. Ani akotwe de abafie se amanfo TV e wo sana nema esi ekoso efa the Ministry of Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa hon but anything to mo so e won krawo fom dia there's a ranking member for Youth Sports and Culture Committee na e wo mrahye ora Kobana Mensa Uyome ono so de ne komo akra tuansa tudwa efa sana nema esi eko e wo Ghana ha and the National Sport Authority omo so adwuma omo ye e de emba amagana gudie no so ase ne nwenya na nwene ne se no
just ineffective. They are not working, and they are disappointing Ghanaians. You see, the National Sports Authority are there to ensure that all national teams, including the Black Stars, all national teams across board, that's so far as sports is concerned. We have national teams across, but so far as football is concerned, Black Stars. National Sports Authority should have people with the capacity to be able to also assist and support decisions into the scouting process. Who goes into what? How do you select people across the country? The processes and so on. You understand? And help in getting people to you understand? And then have a certain degree of rapport with the technical handlers of the national teams
to the extent that they will be able to suggest the way forward and so on. But the National Sports Authority has gone to sleep. Absolutely. So it's a matter you should take up. Go to them and find out from them whether they are really working. So far as this is concerned, I get in it. So there's the need, because National Sports Authority should not be sleeping on this, because they are supposed to be working with the federations. The federations more or less are quasi-private and quite autonomous in terms of their affiliations with their international body. In this case, FA has their FIFA body, and then other entities and so on and so forth. So they work in that. But when it comes to the national teams, that belongs to you and I. The federations are just caretakers. Your money takes care of them. The National Sports Authority, in taking care of, in ensuring that your caretakers also perform and deliver, you also have a...
ranking member for Youth, Sports and Culture Committee, Badwam, Honorable Kamna Mensa Wuyume, and Atene Council and Kumo Ejano, the National Sports Authority, General Professor Peter Chumesin for a can party or mother to Chromo Class up him, so Dundum Kania, or Momo Paso and Yadia and Sabitia Kamnanda, and Professor Krako about to arrest in Mexico, some say Unyama, Makumabes and Sompe, in the Nunam Kuma Mufred CR7, only Jumedia, Ukudi and Umjidi Pass and Trey, Tiway, and Kumane, Yedi, Air Bana for Hussein and Emma, Asiako, Awagana Gudim. Bibia Mitrema, Ebensa de Prem, Tubra Sports at Tian Sabre, and Opa, Patrick or Sergeant, Countryman Sungu at the Fire for Fire, a bit in South Sabrel, Media, Medin Comotre, and ne Casade, and a debabo su, Nemo, do Fire for Fire Brea, Patrick or Sergeant, the Ija, and the day ever su. Game Park Games, the eagerly anticipated pick one game, no, and a abba, but more than that, so no between Sajim, waiting to 1 Ghana cedis and copim 350 Ghana cedis, Uchaba Kubia, obedi 26 times to stake, no. O picking numbers now 1 to 36 no waiting picking adu Jim na boa emasika boy CD no also waiting say DB eno pa hono na Kingdom Heba e the Kingdom Galley Beaters na Kingdom Galley Capsules na ba obese immune system no obodi na campaign na ya DBA intimi emura radium dia Kingdom Galley Beaters and Kingdom Galley Capsules afi New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules member do no boa ema chema otimi boy djuma e mental stress na afi waist pain e free ho afi so sexual weakness there wona ne beton kwanta pai doing more extra power na boy djuma ema niama 18 to 2 year edema wo djuma dia odimu tremendous capsules edoi eya djuma tremendous bomodin da se wo sabitin akabia no so betin aboa ema niama atoto yi dem ma we ya buy wa candidates white filter na so di po na achewa yi free ho afi Kingdom Home Estate ede edan papa na aba ye CCTV cameras so ma eboa ma bambo ho sem de niama atoto yi ye wonyam kanea eya djuma standby generator san ho afi sunsu no ba wa Kingdom Home Estate akachia some few meters drive not when you every botanical gardens boutique force Safari Valley Resort na fitete kwashi Memorial Hospital obetian sanko afi omo ekropon right after the junction on Sabeka Kingdom Home Estate pedan papa bito na emwamo asumu entenyo obetian free Kingdom 4053 614 9961 053 614 9961 na one Kingdom yentwenko e ka Kingdom a was no challenger woman attached bo men no penso yeden komode de e Ghana gudim ejao within the prof EK Wallace a good catch back up and of course within evidence based presentation to ejao rather than any manual kesi if be the so ni fan ko be the so the act of being a good guest is to now to say good morning.
NNCM wakwaba yada say the Badwam TV Badwam health tips so yedi nkomo simenum bia na ya hwese de yapomuden ho samtie na na wotwe bia nso ye topic ba kwesi oni akasa fa ho nti na wotwe we ye kasa fa myopia ho anura na ye hyase nti kan ye ho ena de kwesi ne da fiada na endpoint homeopathic clinic na daroma de bro ya we bia hawadwan number na wo screen so no frɛ no na on show Dr. Womre pa anytime friend obeje woso na one na di nkomo me Dr. Rachel Kusi akosan so ha na daroma na wotwe so odi emfasa enchechire yimu ntinya so mame awofo ne abata ne yana nkasa yentie ne dog me mo akwa babiem so chana family also me da se na wotwe so ma ho kwan se yenni nkomo myopia sa bo ne tofa kakra bi na fe yento so na yenhwe ne signs and symptoms
me da say yɛhyɛ from Monday say myopia short-sightedness ni nyina ne say ade ben wa ubehu ade wa kyira short-sightedness and you can say or eyeball it's a bit longer than the normal and in terms of rays of light they fall before the retina in terms of who ade eye wachi in simple terms no sana myopia no ete
yanhwe na say bi wa afia so a beden no first one I'll be when he said only one yate ho ono hwa ade wachi a ohunu kama wo hwa wo enti I was say I was and then madam fi ye united class obi be say I can't see it me madam fi try na copy just say I can be actually and the first one second one only akra ti fie yes akwa na squint you can squint na only ni say as omo na ni nansa enti parents bi wo ma won tin kra na say say akra open ni mo amo it's because the child is not seeing enti akra na say one ka sample mo wani ansa na wahu ade a eno so your friend is squinting another thing and as eye strain once any panel otumi twene ko ansa na wahu ade wa achi but normal person no onye sa any another thing and as only akra with fear cry TV yes akra ko na TV na nim obi ati akira wo hwe ne kama ba yes akra no wa be TV ni say parents say I now ko TV any once because the child is not seeing and I say akra no try dey wo class on choni yi da bia akra ba ko mistakes obati san na ya mark na wrong akra na bia na obi was so en chana ne ti da bia akra na say headache mommy I can't my eye headache and also another thing I was say adre for say bia akwa no ehun obi ba me clinic paper mama pani for almost 40 years e fini kwa ba mu na mama no hu hwe but na wonim wa koye MRI then wa ye ni na scans na wa ye until at 40 years na fini be hu se sana mama no na ni no lines 2 pen otimi kan ya na ye kan no lines 2 was a doctor na me nim se sana mani hu ade what you see it a condition e wo ha obia no e wo se wa adwen ba so wo dey compare and I face on when you know check it for Saka tobacco see tobacco see for Saka tobacco one eye might be myopic baako to me who ade chen baako and also okay ya ne nkura ni nyina ho
mo ne nkura ni nyina obi an check it because baako who ade bebre na baako hu a the weaker eye can become lazy
sa na bibi wo ho no ma ebe ma wo hu wo bo bi so de ebe mo say de akeka kwai o yenya short-sighted what condition
the ba mo hu ne say ni nyina ya observation oba na wa wona na onyini ko na no fu ani toto ono a watena class na o hwa ade a o chwo ne ye kama na o ti fie na so TV a o relax kama o chwo na o hwa ne kama ana just akwa no eko TV ho ben ho ansa ana gwa nkasa kra panyin no o drive a wo tu ani hwa achi a wo no kama ana yesa wankasa wotwetwe ko asa na wahu ni nyina ye nema wo se bo nka ye se bia sa short sightedness bia na obi ana so bo so a ne maame sa bio ade wa kira wo papa so ade wa kira wo nyina sha take glasses
aye nsa abusuan ya de
yes etie ne nyina no so no e wo se uhu se bia ye ni ebekọ ye ba no ho wo ba na no na wa check ya ma no o wa na wa chat ye de obeye
okay my number no na nyame ya mo china ya to aso
so if you that say my number of friend my major also 0244982821 0244982821
ya da say Dr. Rachel Kusi akosa ochina nyame ya dom ne nkwa hodin krai na ebesa to aso Yada say ya mwakwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na o hye no agodie mu nsam ya kowie de edu suoi apomden komo we hu hia no we ya wo so onum bie na boa wapomden emu ensam ye wie mambo atema ya krado de ahosepe no ebeto so de amaye yada say emre ne adaje a wo de ehwe ye me wo kachi ye boa wa ha mo kingdom garlic bitters ne capsules ene Jensen power no mema ne dia nti wo ha ye ne ba bedi nkomo na fe kingdom say kingdom homes enso aba ka ho kwakropon bepo no so ho no ma environment ne so ye kama enya ha ye nsuo ntoyo ho die 24/7 wan se nsuo wie ma ye kama Tibeme na no pay ya muache.
Ejeso.
Bibia boko.
Bibia boko ahon.
Dr. Mofanso e.
No ho ye pa so chiao.
Ejene so pa. Yentie na jare tibia. Yenya nipa from mom behwe Adom TV. Kingdom garlic bitters and the capsules.
Ti odofo anape Kingdom Herbal Center ene ani we di ehia no na yenura hodo a ye ba Adom TV eye ukwade bia ebnade bia ende ebnada wo aha eba ebnade bia ye bohu dero edema eye Kingdom garlic bitters, Kingdom garlic capsules, New Kingdom ginseng power capsules, any tremendous capsules. Na enro na ya mabobo so mention say every Kingdom garlic bitters no edro ni Kingdom garlic bitters no edro no say na tie na eno oni ni nua we nenam omo nyina ye ntafo omo ye adwuma baako Kingdom garlic capsules enti eniema hodo a mebebobo so no de yade ahodo a Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules esa ena mebebobo so a kire wi obi wo hono mu a onante kakra na wabre oye bibi kakra na wabre wadru a wese unyia ene Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules enromienu wei eyensuo ena wei ya ne topaye odofo mesere wadaroma ento eye nsuo no mfenom topaye no ukọ drugstore say eye topaye no a eye ye kan say capsules no ene wo hono na opa na wato sanso ena bitters no de eye nsuo no ena opa na eno nso wato ento nsuo no mfenom ne topaye no yenye ne sa sena bidi nkankan no bi wo hono a onante kakra na wabre waye kese enti no bibi kakra bi obe bia na wabre na koma no entumi mmɔ sɛ ne yɛsɛsɛ ɛbɔ wedra ne Kingdom garlic bitters we Kingdom garlic bitters no anase Kingdom garlic capsules eno ebebo na wato to paye no umpe to paye no so no na wato nsuo sanete nini aye adwumakro ye nom emfa mum da bi nini aye adwumakro aha enti eno no obi nso wo hono mu a nafu ena aye kese ene be ma pa yese ye wo ayi Pregnancy Men Association wo honom enhwe na saku na emfa ho nkodom bi enyeku pa bomadinya se ubenya eye Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules ni bi ebema wafu na twe ama waye kama 6 pack ya manfo ekwaje manso mu enyen ode ununum yendre bia ebebo am wafu no aye flat kama se wankasa bensu waye kama emane nso bebre nanso afu aye kese onyem so na nefu aye kese unya Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules ebebo apa obi wono ma nansen obesori anase wonamo na ne nsa ye titiri ne na ye titiri o gina ho kakra anaso tenase a ene say ye interview obetena se kakra no ntumi kra jiso de ne nan pempem ho no mo a wanhwe ni ya stroke ya de ena obenya ntibo modenya se obenya Kingdom garlic bitters ni bi anase Kingdom garlic capsules eno eni wedra ebetumi abo hwe ama stroke ya de no amebo Kingdom garlic bitters ni Kingdom garlic capsules ye dra e boost immune system enti se da bia wonum bia yade bia entumi mmebo de bia bon se o ahonden a wokoba e de ye adwuma eno etumi boa garlic essence garlic ankasa ne de ye Kingdom garlic bitters ni Kingdom garlic capsules no o hwe enura hodo anase yade ahodo garlic esa edoso na untumi enwe garlic sa anti no ene yen afa befu kwan so e de ye Kingdom garlic bitters ene Kingdom garlic capsules ti unye bia ebetumi aboa ama na bo wakoma ho ban anwa na se srade na adore wo ni pedue mu a unya Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules a ebeboa na ni nyina afri ni pedua ne mu isanse wanhwe ni ya na bibia sese moja no efa no na akwakosisi anokwan srade na akwakosisi anokwan na moja na ntumi enflo yie ntunya Kingdom garlic bitters anase Kingdom garlic capsules a ebe nane angwa ne nia na srade ni nyina afri ni pedue mu ama waye kama moja na tumi aduafu sane ama wonso watumi hu se ahonne wo honom Kingdom Herbal Center yasan the New Kingdom ginseng power capsules New Kingdom ginseng power capsules we ye medro New Kingdom ginseng power capsules bema bi wo honom a edu anadwo ne agro na ye kura okobia no wadi nkugwa ne Ghana Blaster cry yes and edi enya 2 points bi bae bema bi wo honom a 1 point cry untumi nje na chese wakogu ne hu anim ase ade nso nke 3 points nti no kwa match bi abomodin ase obedi nkunim na obedi nkunim dia eye New Kingdom ginseng power capsules eye medro New Kingdom ginseng power capsules sisiya de ene wo so a bomodin ase obenum New Kingdom ginseng power capsules na Kingdom Herbal Center yenra hodo ewo edwama nso yina topaye no de num ekoye mu no bonse ya twero ho Kingdom nti sen ena mi ya kyerɛ no de wonum ede akɔ mu no ha sen we ya tworo ho kingdom eduru na wonom e de akomu no ya tworo ho kingdom sanete nti say ye kingdom garlic capsules e na obenom anase new kingdom ginseng power capsules anase tremendous capsules enche bia meka ho asema kyo no ni na ya tworo ho kingdom into drugstore na se nye sanete a enu free aso ye san fe duro ne ko na ko pe baby foforo na to bia na se ye de numbers betu jo betumi abon yamane na yenso yetumi e de akire New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na medaso ejina so yi eno etumi yi mental stress efiri so sanse ne dia mental stress na ya gro kra o mai ni mu no wan hwe ni ya na ya ha adwenti no onya eye New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules a ni nyina ebeko sanso ena memra ema de ne so eno eye tremendous capsules oyo ba na onya edro tremendous capsules ibia ebebo apa sei na tie tremendous capsules oba bi wo hono ma enka ewo no ho meka se enka wo no ho a enye se bi onam abonten a obepa no ho da bi wonte na emom no se ne ba no de ma ne ba ne dimu a de nam so pa be ma de fro ba no aha o de ne be ko no na ahwa na uye na enye yi besi ade na enye yi ntunya tremendous capsules a ebeboa oba bi a war infections se bi gonorrhea candidiasis white ya de ahudu bia e ma oba no hu se inka no na nya sa na ote nanso se mre de niema sesa na sesa na sesa wo kwan paso sesa wo kwan bone so a omodin se ubenya tremendous capsules e ma edro oba bomodin se de bia obenom hono be kama e de ama meken e bia obi pani duduo mu atu bomodin se ode weni bechem wo Kimberley Avenue Okaishi Drug Lane Kimberley Avenue Okaishi Drug Lane anase drugstore wo man mu he bia okwa unsabeka Kingdom Herbal Center yenri ebi ato anase frɛ your numbers are hodui 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 we Kingdom Herbal Center yenra yede aba na anje afia yenko baby a
homes no
homes no say doctor say ahwa na wa chew ba kokra doctor betumi a chew ba
say manso na doso nti mebu na asisi so because stress na doso no asa akota asa na adana
manso
nti say oba Kingdom Homes dia yasisi dada 2 bedrooms 3 bedrooms ni nyina wo ho nti be me nti o na fe won na pen fa number no to ho o mo frɛ
sani aye kanampo no Kingdom Home Real Estate ho de te se a whole community ankasa ya to ho wo kama nsio wo ho no menkania wo ho no na de enwa wane se kania no kra dum san was standby generator wo ho no ntinya afei ena nkania dum a wo ha ho da bi nkania no dum ya be enitete ba ko pene ya so generator na ma na eja demo a nso unya nkania no na ya dan no we abri ena afei nso ekropon abri ena afei nso ekropon watra Latter Junction no ohonom na Kingdom Home Real Estate ya dan no ewo sanso na ebri so no ye ben ebri girls SHS no ye ben ebri girls SHS no CCTV cameras ebobo bebia dan bia mu say ya dan kra mienu miensan enum ekopem so ya CCTV cameras ebobo honom kama sanso na electric fence ene ye chese ye de atwa dan no ho ahia nti obimpo entumi mmonwrem ye wo security no bambo no emunsem eden pa wo honom nti we de senia onkoto asase bi ne nka se ya ton amanipa enum na emhuma so langard ne ade nti no bomodin a se obehwe Kingdom Home Real Estate ye kira kwan enkran hanum se your office no ewo shiashi bibi a Kingdom FM ho anase o de free numbers we 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 anase ekropon number ni 0555 5 near miensa 0555 612 611
yeah that's it be me 90 Kingdom for no wo mo ofie wo mo nuro nti say ya ready akopenduro ni bi no me fie na wo pe nya wo pe wasumdua na wo call Kingdom Homes no more aboa mama na Franco Trading Enterprise for so ase na wo pe phone so papa Nokia Samsung iPhone so dia ye mongra Franco Trading Enterprise ye was smart TVs and so e wo ho 32 di kwesi 55 inches nyina wo benya bie sanu so se Franco or air condition ono akasa na air condition so e wo ho ebo adwuma pa se wo pe CCTV cameras nso a Bora Franco Trading Enterprise atena ye bia na kwaje wo de se be ya wo de bebo fie ne wo office ti be bia wonam bia no e wo fon so na ne wo hunu nia e twa guo enkofa Franco number wo internet so wo mo number ni 0246422338 0246422338 ana 0555939311 now ne Franco Trading Enterprise for Edin Komo call Google Play Store ne search wo be hu ana www.francotrading.com Franco Trading Enterprise also still papa fie anyhow Kingdom Herba Kingdom Garlic Bitters and a Kingdom Garlic Capsules a dre boosting immune system no honam dua ye nana mo aye kobay e sa astrafo na na ma ye sori ahoden so ye adwuma biribi enti e da wa no sa wonyare da fi say immune system ne ye strong cause obo ho ban bra wonom Kingdom Garlic Bitters ana say ne capsules na opa no wonom say cholesterol ye say cholesterol wo so a nom Kingdom Garlic Bitters ana say ne capsules no bia e reduce no kra mojabro so wonom bia e betumi aboa ye wo new Kingdom ginseng power capsules e mema ne dia if you have mema de omo ya dance for ya afre won netie mental stress omo no bia na mo ahoden energy foforo kra no omo hia se be ya cameraman o gina na so 24/7 wo tap utum so wa bre so gina was na na eyo ya de o hia ne new Kingdom ginseng power capsules ti mo ye adwumaden ne so no bi ne ma wo energy abribia Shisha Kingdom Herbal Center wo kanshi drug lane ana ko pharmacy heba ne chemical shops biemu a Kingdom no ni nyina obenya bi ato for 0536149961 0536149961 Kingdom was no challenger Ultimate Remedial School and so efre opa bia your media classes dia yemfe ani kire Ultimate Media na ho na wokọ ye wo remedials ni wi 100% English Science and Maths ubenya na wokọ of deck wo center ene ho omo hostel ntimfa ho ne ba bia wo timi ba beda ho no enya time atimi asua de na enkunimdie ayo dia wo mo ye SHS courses ni nyina bi nso ho your lab science lab your library science lab home econs and visual art studios so ewo ho environment and so they are fine na won so more swimming pool so ho so share Ultimate Remedial School was St Andrew Senior High campus wo asinfosu and afiakra and after 0244696911 0244696911 and 0207891004 na kwayo remedial classes pa ewo ho Ghana Post gusu ekaye ye drew Vals Day say ya do for child of no more dear bia odofo no wokuma say Western ana Eastern na wa how person rapid bibi manual for Ghana Post for o me rap ne kama o be deliver woni pa ne doorstep so e di amount amano ne for money problem Mr. so we hear bibi wo fie yem famre wa busuani ne say o woni obi ma ne mfa ma ka cha ne say Ghana Post for yes delivery no a wo say enyira enya basa said ye deliver wo mo rapid no so pepepe any a be delivered amount for Ghana Post wo ana WhatsApp won was 0542 527004 0542 527004 on be rapid amount ko Instagram Twitter Facebook Ghana Post for wo ho nti wo UK Europe US Australia South Africa South America Asia ne African countries ahodo na ko Ghana Post omo ebe rapid ede amount enti yawie na fe dwumadi fofo so etwaso
monrem yani awofo no bi ncheche nkomo na fe no mean show first my contestant say no jeje o mti ba cho di machina jenko hello Adom TV oh patrodze Adom TV instrument real quick, I will form my own passion, Mamma Sassona, Membemo Kakra. I will form my a womb. Okay. Hello, mommy. Aquaba. Yeah, now. Passion, I'm needing to say. I showed now, Matilda. He said, over supporting Matilda. Oh, passion. I told me now, my parents are more supportive or more talent.
me make a chow muse I was say or mutimita mumachi I bring a bring na san say my friend baby or more adoma chede anya kopon e dia mom nso wo boa mo a no mo so o matimi agina yi
me da say na say wo your guy too much me da sing I mean sure papi e kwan ne wa so me re man day oh okay hello daddy akwa ba shonko
yeah
na ba shoba ne de say
wa friend Hana Samantibia.
Okay, so that no be supporting her now.
Papa.
Na Kroben so na afi bai.
Ye fi su huma manase.
Yeah, dada. Ya da si fi so wa hawase.
Me da sin.
I mean sharpie. Daddy ba kon so wa say hello daddy.
Hello.
Akwaba.
Yeah na.
Ba show Udin no.
Lawrence J.
Na why na supporting no.
J. Atwal Ekufu.
Okay, daddy ba show free na bai.
Latte.
Kwa ku 20 ukete.
Me bale.
Ku kembria.
Me kapa.
Uni be me jo letters say.
Ni pa me.
Where would you guy too much? Daddy my main fan ni say embra na yane awofo no enchweche enkomo yan shroma season 6 and yaba asie hontoma and ye pano and hi baby boy, how are you? Hi. Pacho Udin.
From Adidas.
Na pacho na ofi bai.
Go mo afete.
Go mo oh haya na why na support no.
Donada some Wayosin.
Why crado?
Pacho.
Why crado?
Pacho my crado.
CP. Enti awofo no. Oh yeah guy, o my crado yen kwa inside. Na ha me mano 30 and na yepo mount my pacho de achi yen kwa sisi a.
So de menya mia memrantie mfefe white nko a wo maye nkunimdifo. Ai Dr. Kwaku Boateng na fe Kofi Amponsa ne me so fooding Pastor Kofi Amponsa pacha mo akwaba isi amoda afishia pa afisa se na nkwan ahoden wo ho na wo fe no ho say ya nti na no me share Faith Homeopathic Clinic for wa ha ye bedi nkomo Mr. Afinansha se ni bibia ya pomdin be ya tie ni na mo ayempa na unim oyare a enku asem ye kana bia de diagro se unim pa se wutita ya oya na wo ye bibi na matipa ye ba obe biem unye biem nti se yenya apomuden panufo se wo ha de mo kan ye tie na sopem pato mo akwa ba biem ye da mo asepa nane de di kan ye bia obi te Faith Homeopathic Clinic wadaruma omo wo hene na nyawa hodo be ne yesai
me da se de di kan ye chia wahwefo nyina Adom TV na no pay said the wedding can dia tudwa no ye Faith Homeopathic Clinic nyame adom ye ba ye Ghana fo no agye atum enam nyuma pa nyame enam Faith so I think that this is our first time I ba Adom TV but Ghana had ye nipa bebre enim Faith Homeopathic Clinic Faith Homeopathic Clinic said the wedding can ye wo aso ye be ye enum anase 5 branches e wo Ghana hanom oba Accra hanom a ye will be ewa hanom ofre so tuom eko Santa Maria also will be see o Antieku Junction odru Antieku Junction honom abon say ye signboard see honom ye the numbers bi betudwa ofre sa number na ye be man direction e free junction e call clinic on e kwan enwa bebre ana
the contact no kwa guase ho
very good enti contact na egu ase no ofre a ye be man direction odru Kumase nso a ye wo ahenema kokoben ofri Santase ko ahenema kokobia usi wo 18 mu kokoben clinic health clinic on ma obo se Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye wo honomo a afi udu takrade nso a ye wo Anaje police station wa ye ne police station na ye adjacent Queen of Peace inside honomo a eti wona water takrade Western region ho nyina no odi ofa car na udru takrade a udu Anaji police station wa adjacent the police station first junction on your right bonse Faith signboard is wa emma direction to the clinic afi udu Koforidua anso a your Pole junction from Pole to town bonse junction so wa your friend baby Landry Managers Road ubedu on a Faith Homeopathic Clinic your signboard is honomo afi nso Bogoso and so you will be honomo American Hotel American Hotel honomo a odi odru honomo a Bogoso ye branch so e wo honomo enti Faith Homeopathic Clinic nyame adom yɛwɔ branches a nyame enam faith so ene nnwuma pa ye di ayare ahodo a yesa ɛwɔ yaso yɛ no ɛbro adwen ne entiase so obi ebebusa sɛ na faith ɛde yare na mosa nyame adom yare a ɛyɛ chronic disease yenim sɛ homeopathy yɛka in homeopathy no yenim sɛ nyankopɔn nyansa mu no wama yɛn asogyafoɔ anaasɛ nkwamo bi a ɛwɔ nipadua no mu a ɛboa yɛn nipadua na nkasa ɛma sɛ ɔhaw bi ba nipadua no mu na sɛ yɛtumi hwɛ saa nkwamo no yɛ anaasɛ asogyafoɔ no yɛ ɛboa ma ɛyi nyarewa ɛfiri yɛn nipadua no mu de biara yɛ ana meka sɛ disease comes as a result of malfunction of our organs sɛ yɛn nipadua no akɔ ano sɛ ɔhaw bi ba mu a ɛno na ɛde symptoms anaasɛ nyarewa a yɛti din kɛseɛ obi wɔ ha na yare kora yɛbɔ ne din a na afei ɛno kora ekunu kora kyɛn yare na ankasa a wanya no because of edin huhuhu na wate no but sɛ oba faith homeopathic clinic a yɛma wote aseɛ sɛ yare na wote ne din huhuhu no ɛyɛ nipadua na akɔ ana sɛbe ebia wantumi anhwɛ ne yie ana nneɛma bi a wode kɔ nipadua anim no akɔma akwa no atumi enye n'adwuma sɛ deɛ wɔ sɛ yɛ ɛno na ɛde ba nti woba a yɛwɔ afidie wɔ hɔ a yɛde wokɔ afidie no so na yɛascan nipadua no then na yɛahwɛ the root cause maybe I na meka say we look out for the root cause of the condition enye sɛbe symptoms na wode ba yɛ no na yɛbɛhwɛ na mmom ade kropɔte a ama yare no ɛba no ɛno ana yɛhwɛ na yɛtumi atu aseɛ afiri hɔ nti obi wɔ ɔbɛba na yɛbɛscan na wie na yɛne no bɛdi nkɔmmɔ abusa ne akyerɛkyerɛ no deɛ ɛkɔ so nipadua no wobɛhu sɛ yɛbɛwie na afei nneɛma a nka ɔbɛka no nyinaa no doctor di kan abobɔ no nyinaa so akyerɛ no because doctor hu sɛ nneɛma bi a ɛkɔ so nipadua no ɛbɛtumi de saa nsunsuansoɔ no atumi de abrɛ no na yɛnam so ama homeopathic medication a ɛyɛ nupa a ɛnni nsunsuansobɔne biara wɔ nipadua nim na yɛtumi de atu ase ama wo it no most at times no one about faith homeopathic clinic no enyina di adanse say within short time no obeba faith no bo say na nyarewa bia e hye nipadua ni mu no afiri honom and it's not only about deɛ wode ba yɛ ne nko a na mmom holistically no yɛhwɛ nipadua ni nyinaa nti nipa no emfiri faith enko no na nyarewa biara na anka asie wɔ nipadua mu no wobon sɛ drop no no na ni nyinaa ɛda
Dr. Mponzan ho no no so nka bi ento aso em sɛ mudin mu honam no bɛsɛ faith gidie tuba na de gidie wura mu a gidie no abɛde nkwamboa aha nti doga kabi papa mintie oso
de ameka nyina ne sɛ yɛ kyi ahwefo no na yɛ
na wonne no wotonum ana
sɛ
wotonum
mentonum ne mum ye be hye no machi
wow relax na
ye hye yade kwanko na yade no nso ba ye ho no unka wo yade ye ne na ye kye yade no ne ma ho adu ye gina wo mogya unsuo ho ɔden so ne de atwa enu de ama wo nti aduro na wo fa na oni padua so adu instead ya de nti bia na duro ni nko ni pedum nim nia ekoye enye se duro ni si oba ne atama ma wo be ka se utie o ya ebia na de di tiade n ba ya na ewo ho nti udi tiade aduro sa ya eya wo no be ko but de de ba nda so enu nti ye de oba onka wo ya de screen kese boy dem ho o ye yi ni pedua kwa ni nyina filter no be pem na no screen so wo hwe bi baby hawo bia no kire ma wo bi yesi ye de ko hye baabi ni abekire se we na ye wa enu se yen scanning ni pedua ni wiru na ne ha obi anu ankasa kro hu to obi timi ba na ne kotudwe cartilage no awe na ahu no ho dada enu nti ye de duro no mawa ebi antimi mfa bi ye mienu ye tie yi me medra me fa no doctor antimi mfa bi because obi anu ne system te say ye funu kita yi ye de ensa ebie lock na ono no de mtimi mfa me nsam yi sa ode ne sa ne bia enu nti obi anu ne system nti obi aba ne system nso oduro ne de ma no nti obi a ne sisi atia ne kotodwe na tika se oti yawo ni pedua no ni kotodwe mu tutu no wotimo so ohie obi a onyi nu baabi a na sisi atia eno ne yeso omra yade akwankro no eno ne yehwe hwede stroke etimi ye obi na obi anu achia na no mansuo onyi nu baabi a meka se Ghana ha fie bi a stroke wo na stroke ya de ne ban so ali se nya nipa be mienu a obehwe no ko stroke ne ba ne nipa ne mu ayedu obi a nani ye ne ya yenko na West Africa ye hwe ni a ye modu ade beguso say ye tendency so woni ni punsuo unsu na ni suo ta woni so oposa de be won hu ni nyina ye nko na ye hwe sa de na ye mu odu abegu so but ye mu anu nketo abetafra nyame adunti se de woni ntie bi ebeko obi enya ulcer watena wa ma edu baabi enyina du baabi septic ulcer wo say onya internal bleeding moja nyugu ne yemto wo dan ne ya ne moja wo eno ne ye kan wasem te fobra bedan wo say ya de ba no anhwe ne ntam a na wo ma ne che wo ni padua mu a eya wo ne ye kese sika wo de be ko ya de no so eye kese nti ye free screening e wo ye branches ahodo ni nyina ba be da fidie nso kwa ye nhwe wo ni padua no nhwe de ha ni padua no wo ba na hu ya de na wo pese mu odu a wo pa ko so wo pese mu odu e wo be mu odu ye wo nu etu ya de kwankro na te ti wo ya de bi ada wo so ache doctor bi aka ya de bi ache wo mu odu to odu so sa wo da odu so kopum so obewu ti de bi odu san ya na akwaje wo fo ye obi ho a wo kodwo mo kosto na duro nka no anyeye ye ho no ye mu odu a ye di ye ho na fi ho sa na bi ya odu a wo da so na wo koji no ni ade no wo si ye ho no so ba ye other alternatives a ye de esa ye de obi ho a eye duro enuane a wo di no afidie no be kire se enuane weni onyai ojai a ya de no be ko ampa nso ojai na ko obi ho beba no ni etua ni nuane pi ye mani nuo no a nyame adum ti na oda so di ni nuane nyina obi a won wa ye diama no watena wade ase ache won se ye nuano ye memei sa obema timi brem kama na sa sori gina so na sa ono oba timi hie ma ne keka mu se ya onim se otimi wo but no mfa wo ma nkwamwa na dia wo ba enu nti dia ne nkwamwa no ye mre no omra wo de wo ba eni oba ni nyina mra ne nhwe so oba na wo de no ye de ye mu na du ebeboa no ya de bi wo ha wo ma ne cha ha wadwen ya de bi se diabetes eba utimu se eba ya obi ho beba na ne de ba ya che no atranse amane nsa nani sa diabetes ko ye timi sai kidney diabetes ko ya etimi ema wunya stroke diabetes ko ya etimi ema wo nipadua ne yemre enti obi ho a wonya diabetes no san num energy drink no san num soda sa drink hold on empe enti obi be chef die mu ne ekere mu gya ya enu na sugar level no ekofom enti de america ti obi o hwe ne se yade enya de pa eni kwa so ma yade da wo so che entwen ema wo na yetititi onsa na yetititi ni stroke ena ebo onkaye wo ye adwuma kakra bi no abre obi tie condition ne fifre ti no wo dim se fifre ti no onye adwuma di bia bi fifre ti no enya de pa obi o nso a oye adwuma de pa ba fifre ti no kra eno nso nye ena obi o a wo dim se stroke no eba ya che satamo eba no ohuni ebo no kaye wo se sometimes ye kase mihie osie do bi anu ato no wanom but ye ho no ye kan se emfa otimu nto adu bi anu no rough cause adu na wo no no ebi okwo ni pedun mu a aside tiny poisonous it kutie ni pedun ma wo se nya yade fo edu obi a wenye diabetes hepatitis or wo chronic cases bi anu on from me dan faith obi patek oba enye ona abaka wo yade ye hwe omogya hwe nsuo hwe ahoden no ni etwa ho adu ama hwe be be bi atranse ama ne nsan gugugu ne be ma ho watranse ama ne be ma no fo because onyagono watranse ama ne nyina kodu syphilis candidate ne ho agim wo de akomo oba bi amoba ne so anya white oba ne sori a no oti niema de hihya na se ko oti onim se odi niema bi yakofo machine bi aba ye friend steamer oba wo betra so a infection bi ye wo wase bi ade bi ye wo wase bi ano ye steaming na na ye de eno na bebo mo anya achede because oba be ma betimi a tiska toka ne bo odin ato asase aka ho a ne gina wo japade no eno nti ne ye ka so oba bi ametra so bi oba tra so na steaming man ye kama na abo be ma wo so utini obada na wutimi nsipo now the end there ase wo da ho se na oba ne ntan so a emre no eno enye ye mfa nya adwuma mfa nkwa wade ase eno na meka che be ma bi ase omra oba ye ma be ma nu adi wo nu ho ede ma wa intini mu asisi be bi ye wo se mu gedi afusane ko na enkro no eno ne ye ma onu mesraw ne mdi twato no eye se
na fa number ne
yes na emi de number na to gya de mdi twato no eye se obi a ya oba ne menses no mayi eno omra obi a ne nansi atatai omia na atom na fu ahye enye obi na abo dua enye dua na enyan obi o ha ohunu saa odane dua o chinchini no odane dua o do but onim se bia ne kidney no ho aka to omia na nansi na atom be ma odwunso gu na bon be ma bi dwunso otim se ebon ankasa be ma bi dwunso de no wantum ni kankan no odwunso agu no okodu ba bi okodwunso no so yi ni be ma dwunso kitu abi na eba otin kasa dwunso ni biakam obeya ema enu prostate no hawa bam omra faith we party clinic yem na du ebeboa no na dwunso no ontimi nyunso no ontimi nyunso boko nyame ye ne sa dwunso ogino na wi be ma eno amra mesenko but be me bitimi achim sa metena ha ye tena ye kasai no be me bi yi ni be ma dwunso no ma enu nti ene ye se o how bia no wo de fabra be dan ye oba wo nka because ye ma wo ye de no huni na du fa number na free number na ye 0244 58 38 59 0244 58 38 59 and 0540 71 09 40 0540 71 0940 Mr. Accra ha de yo Santa Maria Nteku Junction Kumasi ya yo ahene ma okobi 18 mo pe ho ye ya kwan na se wo ebi atakra de a yo anaji police station in chan pe uduwa on so signboard ni so obi hu ko foridua yo Pali Junction Landry Manges Road bogo so de uduwa station yo boga dan ni Mr. number na egu screen na se no ye di tu dwan fa o fraud de men kan wo ya de no akase bia wa na be kan wo ya de unya be chef di mu a
ya da Dr. Kofi Amponsa se na ya da Dr. Kwaku Boateng ase fache wanka wie na se ya kan asemi nyina eti Faith Homeopathic Clinic ena yete won mo kanon conditions o ma bobo ne de o ma mo nyina no fa number no frɛ na kwaje wa pomoden pa e wo ho ba yentie nso mamra e beto so
na ha me mano 30 ai na ya pa mo tuma pa sha odi achi ne enko sisi a
Yaba munyamache mama kwaba era sogusu ehwe Badwam on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 multi TV digi box na so tieka live and so ewo honum sa so na wo hwe live so ewo Facebook Adom TV extra extra YouTube Adom TV be see ya share link ne mo bi so nya bi enhwe ne nsempa ewa assembly kabre na asumini de akwasi insiafa na sekese ekoma Kingdom Herbal Center na de Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules ere abadwa so boy ye pa boost immune system na eboa so na ne start wodu ado de padwene mu nyina e de fro de emau New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ye mema dia mema ne boa mema yosem wopam ewie emuditi ye bema na sebio wabo adabirudwo o pascal en kaskala so no nya ye New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules tremendous capsules no so ye man sisi if you oyi white ni nyina e de free wo e de amount o member bi eton do bi akwa sebe kan bi ato etufuofo ni enchire Kingdom Herbal Center wo Okanshi Drug Lane en Krankrodwe emu bibia ni afre 0275 804 0275 804 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom Osino Challenger. Alpedi nkomba taw na aja amemuso akọ. Before me di nkomo ya na mahunu krata bia Ghana Integrity Initiative for ede aba. Mere semeti media to TV ne so ede amawa. Na ni tia wani nyina ene se grim assessment. Ghana's anti-corruption campaign shows zero improvement in 4 years. Intifinshia na ye de abo ketasha prekanka de dream de wana moto ye sheda ehuru susans papa bia for the past 4 years. Ye boy be du nkomo efiri ochina eko. Ba no pe ba bia mani si ye MPP fo abato a ebe wie na no memre de ye. Show TV ni snare TV a kwabrane eche. TV. Ya brande TV no with Alhaji Aliu Farouk Mahama, the late Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Neba yoko pre yendi. Show TV ni so. Nebo yoko pre yendi abatuo no. On a sitting member of parliament. TV 32 inches. And in your TV kitwa no go no because delegates need to best around by 500. So assuming without admitting so at 32 inches best at 300. Sikeko nya de kitwa. Sikeko enya de kitwa. Yeku ya mesa mo ahwe
delegate almost the taxes echo from tabletop fridges ne if it's a stove yeah go for more stove near there me de na ke yenim se yese NPP am yoko etre omo electoral college nim na etimi aboa se ne be ya senye ketase hye proye adware abato no ano betimi abrase so I come remember after Legon am say Legon ipe koto abade yi between President Nana Dan Kwakufuado and John Alan Kojo Chebate and 7 and 16 other aspirants no now some year a little over be 2,300 and something. Because that time, now as a constituency, be a funny pabes at 10, and here were 230 constituencies. Any other empenophobia account. So I'm not 2,007 yeah. And as a party, this year, concord trim, any treble, any 100 times. Still, I'm on for bribery. And a delegate, it be 1,800 gun, 1,800 no, yetima bako 5,000. Mpimunum kalis katete no opepimba dwenum 50 million delegate baako eno aso tin komo a ye ne mpanifo bi ekọ akanse no bi ediye ene sima bi kan ye hai udi ngofo ya chia wensi na be wensi eno so to the extent say nipa baako nkoko de o se ko ye yi delegate system no efa free honum Edo pani bi minin pani bi di komo anwere kate akoswa petition Justin Kodwa me se nkosi aga o wadde nkosi aga me se Kodwa no bra bi ansa no oba from Stephen Ayesu team besi the least national executive o NPP account opienu a one bribe delegate ansa no o win ba bi o no kanu se ne etie opienu a one bribe delegate no e do sound the same petition koma sa nipa na obere timi atena so adu asafu no kotwi nanim anase Michael Kwe no kotwi nanim. We need the moral right. From Stephen Ayesu team, Justin Fikokojia, Henry Nanabuache, Kejefua, Opienu the moral right to talk about it. Not even discuss it. Because Opienu went here, seek to delegate. As long as we need to win here, and a position when you know. I had time. I get time. Minim say me kan MPP for be tifie NDC for yes sir NDC for yes sir but me can say who ye MPP na so ye that comparison who nim party na o join no so ye MPP ni now yes sir comparison and na to mama chia say and na kwabra du for ma say when so yes ya who nim party na o join no who ti party na say ko sua party na ba kosem 92 MPP for the back say NDC for Chabentua MPP because you see air time say this be kruaba e man crofo so manyo kwato aba MPP na me ya we e so ye MPP ni na ye sa comparison na be so party no to party na say anu mo jam obi etimi dwane MPP nti obi etimi so betimi aka ne bo asesam da bi a party for special people. People who reason beyond human comprehension. That is New Patriotic Party. And yet just a normal political party. Nanemu na funtia. And then MPP mu na ayefo. They can't credit at trouble. MPP mu ayefo. It is what 2 years comparison no. Me see mistake be one more NDC ya. Ghana for kasa bebre. But MPP ya e shi Ghana for. And yes, we are superhumans because of the value that we placed on the party. But and the value anyway, and the MPP sebi abese tete. And from a whole na neko party ni mwayeka sunsum bi any party ni mubiem. The New Patriotic Party, the Darocha Party. Judgments of a political party and they can was him. Tell me see air coswa. Also, young people you soon trust it. No soon. Say ye then I'm a party, number do pen swa and about the dream. It's so sad and sickening awreho hwene kokoso enti fridge na esagu taxi musa no fridge eni etwe free film as if you na ye manufacture fridge no fridge na esagu taxi musa no enti wo kori nyina sebi adwen bi eni ne trim se fridge na eche ba bi ato aba de ko eya awreho eya na awreho besemi de me kambia nam de akodwie president na adodan kwaku fada oboa no the part na JA Kufo jadema no enye no na wo be jade ama baomia no and baomia wo adwuma kese ye pa to restore the integrity of the new patriotic party at this time it is difficult that's what catch Ghana for say into abama no baby a president Kufo da twitwan MPP dia babedu no awreho ama party na ye ha sunsumu ni MPP mu biem na kwe kwa no anse na ekodu sei MPP free fa no bedu baby obodui ye che fridges ebi m kura cha asase half acres asase o half acres half plot facha me half plot delegate be a half plot hey semo ahwen ye be kakra Jubilee House o asase na de adwa flowers no o metwa ho nyina de ma delegate that's MPP for you semo ahwen ye Jubilee House baby e de adwa flowers no o metwa ho e de ma delegate because of a vote. How say MPP pa the new patriotic party hey Tabi baumia wa adwuma ye it can be bia baumia if anya adwuma to the general populace so even within his own party the indiscipline ye wo MPP mu ne ye ka wasem adwuma da baumia so nya adwuma ketua o chene pa beto aso e fana say kuma Kingdom Herbal Center the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, tremendous capsules so any. Maybe to Ghana baby a 200 be account so can be at to 440 enter Kingdom Herbal Center or Kaishi Drug Lane. For 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenge. I mean the accuracy is here. It don't sepe. Eto asoro
wo da zamahe ma mama wona haba so ho from bra amusepe ejumezido live from cafe Badwam ewo jowlo police station in Chanwono ma ka cho da hadize page ban papa na epe baby kama batina na erdwonjo no ho de krom po hefa ne binya no na America cho de cafe Badwam na ebeba or John police station in Chanwono na tizama de bia ye wa hade no yaza minyo kuku dembi menyana twetwe nkomo ofa dwumezi biara orize ho na nde me guest no ye special papa osana me guest no eya na za ye nyina ye nwua tim eye nyimpa ogina nyi ba orotonyum but me guest no oyo obi a industry no mu no wa kire wo papa edwuma no oba munyende na so no osande ogina echi nti na nyipa bebre nyima na nde na ye funda for some time now no na so why na adwuno we begina enyi mebi ni make gina na echi nti no go food ya pa no so no wo pia no nti no o mencha wa hade me na abotwetwe nkomo ani pay na before that no me can show the Valentine's Day ya ori bedri oyaza Joy Prime was Obama Val's Day no why a special zamo it is a warrior nyina anye there was why most photogenic couple into no awo no nye wo partner won twa picture na one can some there will be in fact one of most for where we share na the one can one church obi na one fan send the number no mobile number na mo for phone no na one number no 055 157 5757 bomozna na number no as picture no na and some opeda wakana then some opeda watcho no it's best the number no na win is that no e bet de papa Val's Day you watch ma wo spa day for 2 candlelight dinner and all expense paid trip romantic pa beji wanwa ye papa wo honom to deadline no is 7th of February nti bomozna quickly and your partner one sign up. Now, mammy can show there. Ponos and the person one poma, what pod a pod sorry, one your do a cry, a pay Druby Alabama, a two Nassau and Atkinson, who could say that or a 3p garlic mixture, 100% garlic, 100% garlic extract. And I was a year in Drununti, but was an enemy in Upiwak natural health for no was a bad thing. Was not in a 3p, say, blood pressure was slow, about the problem, yeah. 3p was over more simple cry. Now, quickly, no, mammy introduced my guest of her mom. My guest to know a friend in your yam. The you say Buddha or your new yam pat Sunday, no, you feel ye, papa. Say, yes, share the likes of Kofi Prepra, if a grace moi, what ginger chida man, no back. But since you are no you won't win you, Naso and your yam, what being you. Into no yam, a
yeah.
Fell power.
Thank you so much.
So pretty.
Thank you.
So pretty. International need children.
Oh, I may serve. So I have to be there.
Okay.
Yes.
But I can't. I'm also do. I'm cry.
But you.
Okay. Into for how long now? Back and about artist now back.
I'm sure there were 10 years, slightly over 10 years.
Wow.
Yes, and as Minister Joe Meto, or Mr. Tiffy.
Okay.
Minister Joe Meto, and then in the process, I had a chance, to also back other powerful men and women of God also in the gospel industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My task, since you no about a as an artist yourself.
Yes.
What's saying to you then? What's saying to you? Why the transition? Why the city free? Back in
me back in me day totally. I'm still doing it, but also I believe the a specific calling, a specific task and purpose for his people. So that's why I've also come out to do this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I don't know. Me sure that you don't take offense there. Me do to if a grace no any coffee purpose. All of these people you want nas. Not walk back.
My big brothers and sisters.
Walk back. Nah. Some of them so good back. Me if a grace on the back.
Oh,
him Messi, or him Messi. Then I was so actually made the wire back.
Yeah.
Now, I say, we free, we back, and I say, we be him them. Now, this way, what the wow, what back no one Jenna, one so on.
Oh, for me, I believe, say, staying there and serving has a way, you learn so much to even guide you to stand on your own. Yes, but also obedu time be.
Okay,
you can't be there forever. Obedu time be. Nyankopon Nankasa has his way of letting your leader even know there it's time to release this person.
Okay,
so there's always that.
Baby said a mass no.
Yeah.
Because I dem at no mama na sound menu fa no ma dem
by all means by all means the time will come.
Okay, iti say yes share was an artist. I was never you're so special or you're unique about our the CCI is you as a child.
First of all, no, I'm a child of God, and that's one of the most special things. I mean, but also no, I'm able to, the kind of music that I'm doing, I'm able to blend the English language, the local languages. My voice, I believe, sounds appealing to the international stages, even and also to the local stages.
Okay.
So that's one special thing about me. I fit everywhere. Baby,
yeah, in Munyamana, in your chum come way, back, Sisiaro. That's what I mean. That number can only get filled.
Thank you.
A backy.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys, no, how another.
Oh, no, so or a normal life, even when you are not in the spotlight, wow, now I have a spotlight or a normal thing.
Okay, yeah. Actually, in your every day.
Like every day there is an exaggeration. Okay. That be. I mean, once you are beautiful, people will approach you, and it's normal.
In your aswafu, in your musicians.
Hey, really? Oh well, they come.
And how are you handling that?
I'm just friendly, so when you come and meet the friendliness, and we flow. There's nothing extra. We just become friends. Yes.
Okay, but I think yeah, focus near then as a noun.
My song, the new song near Shemekwan.
If you child,
yes, a very, very powerful song written by Minister Kofi Kakari.
Oh, what did I carry on showing you?
Very powerful writer. Papa, no, he's a well of songs. He has written so many songs for so many people. Until one of these days now, we call no yet now, we were worshiping. He was on the keyboard now. We worship now. He started singing the song, and we were worshiping with the song together. So that's how the song came about.
Okay.
Yes, and during the process of producing the song, I think the Holy Spirit just directed me there. Kwekute has to be on the song. Into them obey. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very, very, very interesting. It's interesting about your artist. Current project, why not finance them?
I'm under Reverb Studios. Yes, I'm under Reverb Studios, headed by Jometo. Yes.
Jometo.
Yes, please.
Okay. This is Jometo no handle management issues.
Yes, please. There's a whole team.
Okay.
Yes, it's not specifically him, but there's a whole team that works under Reverb Studios.
Okay. And how is the like are you okay with the service you are getting from them now?
Yeah. Initially, I was doing things by myself, and coming under Reverb Studios, why easy?
Okay.
Why easy? Everybody is doing what they have to do with regards to promoting the music and everything that has to do with the song. Why very easy, to be honest.
Okay.
Yes.
Meaning there will be our personal relationship with God. But describe your personal relationship with God then.
My relationship with God, a very, very special. I like intimacy.
Okay.
That's where I am with Him. Now, I love it. I love where I am with God. We're very. I can say that we're very close. Yes.
But Mama, a scenario, after this incident, you're watching there completely surrender to.
Now, I'm me suffer. Both parents are suffer.
Wow.
We're suffer. So,
chapel?
Love Community Chapel International.
Okay,
Reverend George Ayuku, Apostle George Ayuku. Yeah, and that's where I grew up. And my father assists him. I was born into the church. You would say me a pastor.
Okay.
Yeah. So my whole life has been around church and everything, and I can say that I work at there a soft man. Some way. Yeah, some way. But by the grace of God, because that's why I was coming to. Fortunately for me, even though my parents were active in helping church and doing church work, he put certain people around me I'm into growing up and being a good Christian.
Okay.
So I got that opportunity. Yes.
And you know, from Sofoba into the industry, you know, but how was it like? But you told even though no woman, but anyway, she said her being me. Back in the industry, then was it differently first back as to what it is now?
To be very honest, no, the difference, yeah, okay. Difference between I think, is where I find myself in Hawaii.
Okay.
Where I find myself under the umbrella of Minister Joe Metal. Yes.
Okay. You know, say I can't no. Bobom payamo. They are on
Amen.
Ne juma no tumuna ye ma yeye because yes also nim de juma no on the phone cry na cafe ba no a na ye wo aha de ize maka cho de wezi ban sem bia no aha na eze baba cafe ba no a jowulo police station en chen hono ma antino bo mozen na from one mabo one number no mzbutu gaba answer no ma yente enumonyam no nyom foforo no o se enum
share me
kwan hey share me kwan ampo share me kwan ampa inta wo enjoy enum no kakra na yebo tuedo sisia oye wo zanti so na pa bia na if you do appropriate very appropriate the baby say nkopon don che kwan because our plan do nya wo plan no na be me wo plan le do until to me plan as wo tiri ma time no so no na bibi different kra na record until no mama fa cafe ba no a one number no unto go 0501606975 and 0209667116 but was na free cafe ba no a na brebeji wezban kama makache we a group of friends who put that wa ba no crab wo meje discount na wo mbe chill o wa ha de ye papa na minimal start Juango energy drinker Juango energy drink or the best energy drink in town makan famo say e what nyum na say bra na say pede boost energy na Juango the best energy drink vitamins no uwo ye papa into no bomoza na pebi into before ye kono na erichum there into that is how come being a pastor's child in from into na a war total trust in Yankopon and should I anything specific be or two just complete
no so far
okay
God has been good
no check him baby may be when you may
do baby I am Apple Music, Audio Mac, Boomplay or baby na video no so YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, Enyonyam. You type Enyonyam everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all the digital platforms. Enyonyam.
Underscore beyond the baby.
Instagram no underscore but start there type Enyonyam no. Obe show up then you pick it.
And I will Enyonyam so you
E.
I will spell one.
ENUONYAM. Enyonyam. Onya Enyonam. Oya Enyonyam.
But can baby so.
What? I've had to deal with Enyonam. Make over Enyonam. Yeah. Enyonyam.
Nti no Enyonyam that's papa dan pay.
Thank you so much.
Ayazi, nyame show na to me adwuma no kwen. Nti no ye zan komo twetwe no ye dibesade o se de ye face ye nezi ba no o wa hade cafe ba no a da hona si ye papa da wo ma hen kwan ma yetumi betena hade wa ma hen ezi ban de daw so ye wi aye bobo hen ano do twa Ms. Bessie had a zino or fancy door. Our Jimbre ye me in Sunyakopon in show papa, Wobbe Kofian Pedu, a mid director, Mabilonzi, producer papa, Albert, and I'll be ye camera. Abu, I already don't hear more coffee. So also, I already know what's not say. Bedroom, Rotiado, Cicera, I had the man at all.
Well, then now we are Badwam on Adom TV, multi-TV. So that's St. Andrews College for us, and Kel Brands, and so as I saw Kwansrum Kosokra. Now, Fasa Kwenya way so quickly. Now, Transport Minister Kwakwesiama, Yamano, Yako, so continue about that from Madame Agnes Pokria in Fiat Unimusi, and I mean, this weekend. And all the crab danger dominance into Yankotai, Iraq question Echi, Transport Minister now, Uncle Katani sister Echi. On the 3rd and the 4th of February, danger dominance into Yaba back to the studios there quickly. Mamenka was Chief of Staff, Momodiana Kutia, or also a service at Bank House or Jubilee House. So now they've resorted to Omoankasa almost services. Into a lot of the new cars I have to buying, Ghana are buying, they break it down at a fast pace. Simply because Monty didn't come back to conform more repair, professionals or repair more cars. Those in charge of transport, i.e., Baby Chief of Staff, so they say, because these are expensive cars, very expensive cars. Now, no, that I can say the demand pay, you know, and two we see, baby, carry 20 minutes. Now, for Vice President, and so the ambulance, the cars, police, and then military, then break it down. Any cars, when we should rent, you know, it's not good for us as a country. It's the office of the Chief of Staff, they say, when we security couples, the transport officers are more they say the cars needs to be serviced and serviced rightly. Service. It's not possible. These are very expensive cars in here professional people to tackle the challenges. It's very, very important. So now intimi and correct this how na abetohono. Back to the table. Lawyer Dumakube Fiatinasi, Sansuna Buim constituency representative on the ticket of the NDC, so Atinasi, Era Kofi Adams. The free side copy say, non Konoba permitted you know. Yena, the air near 180. Yasudi say, it's imaginary on my Ghana home. Mandico Dream Pempen, so as I say, it could do coffee. Aquaba.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a Jodo.
What parliament and I,
there be my per speaker ne communication or the MI you be back to parliament on the 6th of February.
Okay.
And when data on the MI.
Okay.
And but make us say the committees including the public accounts committee make enra and I share ejuma say.
Mutina matabezo.
Enra ye shall say the 2022 Auditor General reports are or the abreye and the Finance Ministry any associated and related agencies ne Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources any agencies are share ase and ye tenase ye
it was encouraging.
Well, we share scandals now, a huge
scandals,
seriously. Financial scandals, issues, Nyama Bebria, NSA, just health ministry. Omunkwa issues are also over 170 infractions. Health. So the whole day has been dedicated for just health ministry. Yeah. So the Auditor General's report for 2022, no, Inyama a woman is terrible, is serious. But that is just by the way, because even on the ground. I think either in there now in one of the papers reported the Oti regional minister, ne concerns, and he was even highlighting near Chief Executive of Cocoa Board, Akan. So, Ufa Oti region before, they could surrender as much as 8,000 tons of cocoa beans to cocoa board like beans now moton be about 8,000 every or region eba. I feel they are struggling to even make 100 tons. Not 1,000.
100.
100 they are struggling. Adenti one because now I buy no dada ne. Say oh my pija cocoa board. Meanwhile, you are not managing the economy well. And the ama nipa bebre then a smuggle because they feel like they benefit more by selling their cocoa to neighboring countries. Boni now so omoye. 2, you are not making sika available to the license buying companies. Mm-hmm. So the license buying companies into me then enter cocoa. Why wo cocoa ejuma wa hata ye bibie wie no afi na wo befa phone na wo frefre various buyers na omo ho ne say omo wo sika asa na wo den wo di beans no be ko ho because one hwe ni na say wo de koma obi a oniska akoyasem wo cocoa be ka ho for several months na ye nya ntua and what many of them are doing is say omo tonton de ma illegal buyers. Now, so those illegal buyers, no, so they don't surrender it to licensed buying companies and CMC. Omo de call Togo no mo akwa akoton. Enya ho mfaso. So clearly, no, government is deceiving itself. Cocoa board is deceiving itself because you will be lamenting. Why are you lamenting? Because one fast it come from the license buying companies and they say omo to me ato beans now omo so ato omo di ama cocoa board no according to them cocoa board and CMC have not paid them for cocoa beans omo di abre CMC ni cocoa board. So because yentu a musika ma hon kra no plus the yekoji facility no for cocoa board, the syndicated loan facility now. Ye the Bima license buying companies, you know, to help them in buying the cocoa because that syndicated loan meant to buy the cocoa. That's the primary objective. Because say ye dibi ye de maho, nanso sika no ye den ye mfa maho. So they now have to, some of them have to go to bank. Ah me kwa ka babesia. Na besia no so a wo ko bo no bank no interest rate no e wo soro because aban na nkasa ye den the treasury bills and are deeply involved in taking even more than what predicted say or Beijing. So because of that, the interest rates are up for private businesses because banks are more than willing say into what treasury bills than say private persons and our businesses are so money is not available. And we have a situation where the produce buying company those times we can say Yejuma or PBC now a enviable position. Banks they want to quota ya issue 5 year yes for over 300 million Ghana cedi debt. Mudi various banks ye the one kokota yes niama and the whole omuni GRA enra ebepie ewo public accounts committee sitting class almost the VRA soka over 200 million.
But how we arrive at this point?
Seriously, I don't know. Say an industry like cocoa industry, no, you're so vibrant.
I know your leadership
you're so vibrant.
Challenges
look, now more reason say, area binu na ye galamsey and those things intina what about Otiriji? Yenye galamsey bia o. No yenye galamsey bia o.
So I had in Abidru no.
Well, leaderless situation. Sikano ye kojia o say ye di ni o say ye no na ya divert ye dia ko bibi foforo. Look, meanwhile as we speak in Okurano, cocoa roads na ya di adie bi anka ye e di aboa cocoa growing areas ni nyina so stand still. Ye nya bi ye jai ni nyina. So you just can't understand. Facilities, mwaka kra nanka eko, in terms of chemicals, nini yekeka ho, nini na sesia yenhu bibia. So the farmer feels say, I am left alone. And this says, she can't ni hodia, licensed buying companies, you know. Edi beto mi kuku dia, obiba, meto amaho. And nipa no kra the farms, you know, share boundary with Togo. Just 4 steps, you are into Togo. Baby, I will cook farm. No one 4 steps you are into Togo. And you do hokra Togo kra ben the purchasing officer from Togo no ben okra send the license buyer in Ghana. And you already say price in nye sikano su ni ho. Now no support no. The person is motivated to give away the beans to the neighboring country, which I don't support. That's so bad. Koko kweni ni ti ho ne bayare. Health insurance in Yejuma, Okwa, that's a somewhere area. Paracetamol kwa say Okoto. Entini bayare. Winya sika, Odibeka koto idru. Nikoko so aye ready. Abain eni sika wo ho a obeto kuku. Obi kura ni sika wo he de na obeye. Ne ba be ko school. O so ototo nyema. Na ote ho. Ne yere yare. And so on and so forth. Na ne mame yare. Nikoko so aye ready. So clearly, I don't know what government is doing. Meaning me buying. I don't know. From 2019, Edeba and PBC, Esha say no almost all these difficulties. Some of the workers, almost Juma for now for almost 3 years in it, no pay motivation. Adem.
I'm only worried. Well,
me that's it. Anope mami nyina Adom TV so na yenchia atiefo ani ahwefo na adom ye ne abeduru ha ye nyina ye ne nyame ase ehunu se niema nyina no nyame di animu na niema mproi se ne binom epicha ne sa no at least if there's any change say bia ba ensesan ya ye nya free 2017 bepim sa bre no ye be kan say Ebenezer, this is how far God has brought us. So obi tna say up into that any there you ono ne politically but ye nwene o mine ho ba o mine kakra mesre ni say eno anadwo amofrem say memre no mo ma me 2 topics na de me nua de kone na me ne nka ho bi
we say we de nkomo ye
me so nkomo aye de ntime me ba na me so makotam na beka won so de adwuma yi
we no de o trase no
mate
nkrobo ai
oh na me nim ne sa ntia ne me so me trase
oh nkrobo bi dia MPP mu boko de
oh MPP ne Ghana nyina boko ntimi so na me nim ne sa
definitely me come about to enka ho de ba me come about to
o di bem o de ntampo asemi say wo trase awo nkrobo ade ba nti atiefo mu ntie ni o kasa nya bote
what is me about parliament
kofi about them pacho
kofi nya bote de say me no me no na tiache ye di kan me nia I'm highly disappointed. Kofi a member of parliament and a public account committee will come. And a fair must start a process. It is if you become so conclusive that there is issue of corruption here, there. Meanwhile, you know the process of public account committees. If you want to it is all but now my that gloomy picture. Say nyame mfasa ma nyame so mpagu nyame yetri modern for say MPP mfra ban so na momra. And e ko ba ni saa no obi so MPP ni abeto no so akoka at the end of it all the corporate image of Ghana and na de ye pen ya man yesemunti ye say no ana is that how a public accounts committee work adia wo now say mo start in ra and then you are sitting out there to criminalize people if you are kofa cocoa board yes cocoa board mesre wo nye proactive they may have their story to tell and as I really say more the topics no my no as a consummate and credible communicator, my research on the no money into it's not within my purview. But say I don't get proactive, no more getting national communication no year. And yama okay Kenya distortions may bring more.
PBC then they're visible.
Many
court
may say, the almost came any other day. Me say yes
me to say and can on sem about this and you know that
and intimidation no agenda set na no what dey bad there the American say PBC no say idea say wo nyina ne ekpm posted da ne amu say ehase da ben na say kodru da ben e be wie kura na atmu say nya ban we kura na bi anka gu kura eno so could be another story idea ba ko aminua ekan de am nwa kakra ni say enka we have come a long way 1979 no me the assembly ni pass wa kangaroo court from AFRCP and Yakukono. But I dear friend must start in ra. Na me near member of parliament, Kofi Obi am penance, he knows it. Now bet now we now criminalize here. O man ye ko hinifa. Said you also sika or mudi ni ade. You are a member of parliament. And then Namu assemble those people in charge of the sectors. And I don't they have that powers
to go into it.
So bet me I assemble warm. We a member of parliament me to yaki kenyina no. Me nye member of parliament. But most certain powers are more no. You can summon those people involved. It is out now it's a public court when you Adom FM to play to the gallery, instigate them there. I'm afraid. But on the way, on the more serious note, yeah, the Nyamia say, nipa mamu nti say Nyamia mamu. Ubenya positives and negatives. Ubenya pluses and minuses. Once upon a time, we never thought of getting STEM education and the Kufuado and Baumia. We never thought of getting TVET. Nyame adom yenya en kania ne nya kura no ye frisun wa bankaniam nyame adom yenya. And once upon a time sitting president catch and say media menya magician mafumadwuma nyame adom and the Kufuado ya clear those ayini from 2012 today me ne okasai enipa ni bi adwuma mu nyaaye no ye beto ye no na osi ye ni free ho nyame adom akwan bi a na ya nso daye titru se beye especially Ashanti region nyame adom ye aya positives and minuses. Nyamiadom, amidst all the insecurity of West Africa and Ghana security is vibrant. Nyamiadom.
Well, super. Nyamiadom on all these areas. But the point is that he raises one very worrying aspect. Cocoa Rose, Mobile, Mokase, more audited, and then you come back to the roads. As we speak now, no auditing. Auditing is whether perception or reality. Spending millions of Ghana cedis for a firm. ABC ne own seven by the can they also report to Crown on by who they own. 3. Aquanos in a jet to one now various stages of completion. Now deterioration are catching up, bringing us extra cost in terms of some of these things. So,
that is the other side you are saying. And one thing that may do almost said those responsible. Me dini adumakumbefi. Me was sector biana. Woman you proactive. Yansaka. Then we bring our skills, our knowledge to bear. I am not somebody who will be ready. Me nye imagine, Sametiano, me credibility. And of course, as an individual, me credibility, I'm the customer party. Ne call for more. A party image, and akoye. And into one, idea I could hear Ghana no. Me aduma kombe if you mean so. Ghana before MPP and DC. And of course, MPP and the Enya Massa. Edia Benya Obenyaba kumbi womudie. Near Tosumienu. Near TM Susuni say, Sabi, say, and near my year kikanyana. You are evidence. But I can tell you, Cocoa Rose, you near the idea. Ya may be noir. Sir, editing and now auditing and no more near the idea. You are right. They should be proactive. Near Mubabia echo. And on the metra and justify. But the point is a Cocoa Rose na yekano. Don't let us create any miserable. Yes, a boy, you to do noir. In my hand here. I'm in possession me kutakratawi sa ban bia no awaba and adodam ko Akufuado any Rabaumia why you crying HMPP and I'm ready to debate my brother even voter region any voter of union meaning I'm ever ready to debate him enti sabe sa wo kofa asamba ko yenya yankensi now you try to make a mountain out of a molehill you try to draw a long bow no atwimbebrebe count your blessings. Se nipa ye ma nipa ye nipa na ye koye ni me nyame nhira ba ye so ni se enura o yare o hwe yare no nko a afini nyina no nyame amatipa ye ama no so o hwe enura yade no nko na you have been ungrateful and it is so far baby Akufuado amamu and the MPP any Rabaumia edi free 2017 to date no yankasa ne nyina ye na so far so good better. It's young share no so. Yeah, ni say beboy.
Okay.
Omahini me da say many are say me member of parliament na public accounts committee ya share this yemwie ya denti na make ho asem. Scandals. Serious scandals. Per the Auditor General's report or the abreye. Mr. Nora, yeah, 2 ministries, and it wasn't a good story. Just 2 ministries. Ene, yeah, it was also health ministry, eba, and the issues now, edahwa me mako through report no, omu responses, omu responses aba. Nya omu after what the Auditor General has found in the 2022 report. And also ekurami mako through. I don't just talk. I don't just talk. I have gone through omo responses omo the abre committee because ye invite wa. Ye catch will say we responses in yama wa ye after the report has been released in fanning in abra. What the clerk will share those responses with us. Now ye dia compare ni ewo report nim then ye bisa wonsem afa. Yes, some of the issues would have been cleared, but many others also have not been cleared. For example, year 2021, okay, $2 million Ghana Investment and Infrastructure Fund John Dramani Mahama and our creative say yen sheda enye fund been to ebeboa Ghana yen puntuo hun insem ni nyama aban yi ba ye no of 2 million odikutua phantom company non-existing company a yen man no license be to operate up to now she can we have lost the money.
No,
oh massa, we've done a report. Yes, we raised it in Parliament. A Kayen report to whom we debated it. The report have been accepted by plenary and so on. But Abenyan calls Odisu to get the people out of $2 million. $2 million. Look, renal unit of Kolebu because of 4 million cedis. Because of 4 million cedis, we closed the renal unit and for 15. Just because of what? 4 million Ghana cedi. Then so you had the 2 million. You find $2 million. So who converted $2 million? Who converted $2 million to cedis? 24 or 25 million Ghana cedi.
So plenary India no on this matter of the 2 million.
Well, they have to refund. Say sasikano omu so
just refund.
Well, that's what we can do. The Attorney General can then take up the subsequent issues to deal with. So you're interested because both Jogati are the first minister for railways development. He said he didn't authorize for any payment. Then the saying and GIF on their own. At their sector ministry, no any departments and can say at the drew level or say you $2 million. Ye car, many Abeka say we are just talking. I just don't talk, maybe I just don't talk. Akwan sema meka maybe say me and America sakekea. Nananum including His Majesty Otumfo say tutu Ekotenase ahimfo in the Ashanti region. Every regional minister no me sure say we be kai sa asem omu bisa no about akwanya ya abandon in Ashanti region hwin koso. What did the minister say? O say akwan no de enka ya ma contract na so sika ni ho a yentu adese they have abandoned all of them. So what are you talking about? Me nkwa na me complain na me na make akwan wase enti na nanom so a omuka akwan wase me including His Majesty Otumfo na Otiho, ye bisa regional minister questions. Now, you are raising book to show me, say you are ready to debate. Why didn't your minister debate the chiefs in Ashanti region or more raise those concerns? I don't think I want to debate you.
Okay,
so clearly, I just don't sit here and then say anything. Me can me mikra evidence and I feel say issues to be raised. Any issues keke and American.
Look, Sekofit Sanoka say it doesn't sit here just to talk. Even a bed chefs, and Mabe Suno, no one should be better retire. Even an elephant, trumpets, or Sunobe Suno, no one should be a signal. What did they make us say? Nobody. Kasa di Obiaka, but it's a clear distinction between communication and talking. So he's admitted it. But the point I'm stressing is something you started yesterday. And yet then why is so conclusive? And a scandal. NDC hasn't changed from its formative stage since 1979. Maybe I'm about negative branding. A situation in West. The scandal you are talking about, I am a proud MPP member. Since 1992, by NDC, I mentioned 2 or 3 legislative for you fighting corruption. MPP mentioning it. Onka sa digitalization they fight corruption. Again, excuse me, please. Again, digitalization. Now, Sakanino, no big cohort insurance. And I will call personally, and yes, you say, and the true digitalization, digitalizing. And you may be.
So you digitalize that when you go and you make your payment in the end.
There may patch say abroche no many adeno. And that's why many corruption. But system no, any digitalization no, and you one of the ways of the fighting. Mama 2. Number 3, Kofi. Since 1992, when MPP is in opposition, near Kasemu you corrupt, we walk the talk. Mutum. Muntimin for any pabakuntum. So if I will,
I no quite the same issue.
Issue.
Debbie.
No. Oh, it doesn't fall within your purview.
No, it would ya. I judge for no. Woman at Tassinia. And then this in Quadia Moba, I judge for no. So don't give room for the NDC to also say some also much on a model.
Oh, they are okay. Doesn't
leave that in the bosom of our judges. Don't bring them into our politics.
You listen quietly. Listen. Me say, yes, my becano. Yabana Attorney General de Qua and Ukraine, they are found culpable. Momo di pass 19 the coy. The same court no catch him said the Mokano, and your time, and I'm a boy. I am an America. Fine, no to change. Minia adia ba kwa pesa otiase ni say Kofi awose ekot wodi kumase minu nya netiwo ontimi nkọ nananom ahemfo otumfo onmo no enye chieftaincy wo king kingdom. Who are you say we be call ko debate wo mo wodi ahobrase ba Kofi excuse me tie say ye ka Ashanti region any kwan dia. Yes, Ashanti region e demand more. They are right. But nanade dan ko akufa ne akufa do ma ye yewraba obi ye more. And na more so no kwagina ba bi ntwafoa sa santeman akokọ sa chenya kroma fe. Tie ebi ni construction of Kumasi inner city roads. Take to Anaga junction. Can you ye do traffic light na se de bia na ka hwe ase. Kohwe. Odura Anaga junction ekopim Krofrom airport runabout. Kohwe. Eno akufa do ne ye. Enye John Dramani mama. Sansa mo de mo ba ye kura na ye Kumasi nti you neglected us. Odi ye no eto nkyenya eye dualization sofo line kofo na hyase obi anwo a wani wonti no mo abandoning ene ya yakop mabu akwa kohwe sofo line kwan eni nti no yewura ose mensan obi a woye onima mamere nti no onkogina nanim
matra abu akwa
o say
matra
yatra medase odi ye no eto nkyenya Bantama town roads dualization of Ahinsan to Lake Roads 2016 we the share budget mu say 20 billion amode ye kwa no eno so Kofi mu chedi ene nyame adom andanana danko akufu ado ya ye kwan no tie niye by their fruits shall know them tire no wo ba pe eniema no na nyase bia wo trans ya tire to the be brand MPP. You live in a glass house and the throwing stools enye mu kwana nchen daban to Sokoman me no me enu kan ye ko be kwaya ni ekofo Pokuare Santasi road enne twa kwan ya ye dia to daban ana me boana book no tell lies. Ashanti region kwa we are mabo voter region dia won ko won no say region no akufu ado aboa wo mo. Mosisongo road. Aya Pankro to Breman, Tafo town roads, asphalting of Amakom to Asoko roads. Ahuju to Daban, dualization of Ahinsan eyini nyinaminia. Eno dan Chenya he Mampon inner roads, Mampon to Kofiase, Insuta to be poso, Efijase, Miami Chrome. Kane no se onya du anita eyi ho no a hotel na de kwamini na ahwehu se kwotwe kwanya adodan kwa akufuado nana yada wase wo mo ye oni Yoruba umia just go and check enu dan check insuta to be possible.
Okay, for no see on that
afijase aguna ekopim eyi or they say neighboring roads anwan kwanta to obuase eduru ba bia anwan kwanta kwan ase ye fish ho because obi anwo wonim and you sit out there mo wie de mo ka chense mo nye because sabe akokosa chenya kroma fe. Anu dan Chenya, Konomo inner roads.
Abua so to Adretia.
Oh, my listen.
Minia, Rosa, and another Danko, Yayana Shanty reading. A dozen papa. A brama ya kwan see a toilet time I made 5 hours back can in Yama Kofi machine. And it as typical of NDC. A dear young 2008. Moki can ya mobana ye say. A diana one young fan church and
Kofi for an to Nayan
Kofi break break back Smebem.
Bibria okay. Or more of them. Clearly no omugusu kasa de bia na anui ma omoye demonstration wo kejitia kase na omodwen se NDC enye o party a omo support no enti omo anye bibi bebre ama no omo nim say they were God. NDC was God sent to them enti omo pa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Chao say omrantem no man meyen juma ebe man punchuo aba back to Ashanti Bay. Wait me abetena abobobobo non-existing infrastructure including niayen na yeye ya share ye bibia omotoa so you can come and do all those things and say all the things that you want to say. Now so omo fam no omunim aban a ayen juma pa e wa Ashanti region and NDC stands extremely tall. The NDC stands extremely tall in the minds of the people.
Then we'll enter Ashanti region proper.
Now, Joabing Ohini Wankasa, he spoke. There were many other chiefs who are speaking, and speaking reality. And yeah, propagandists are no better or reciting
Mrs. Pamela Mreku, good morning. Also, Wajibra also should be. You could try Waba Bula time national. So when you know, and a pay no kuna no menu no because 12 midday ubenya now for us and no insia. In the idea say a bonya miserable. Ya kwaba eba a 12 common so. Well, yasa kwa ba heda mu nyina mase ye o minute be ye aduonu da ye nim sisia na fe de rap about mame mayira Samuel Boache o ablaje e on kran se abokobi o ye cement dealer unua da form elder Owusu Amponsa do na friend no okode villa dame adma na otwe wie e brekum ana na yi ne ho enhihye na ekoso ebekoso Presbyterian Parker ewo brekum 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Era Samuel Boache unua elder Owusu asem na make elder Owusu Amponsa oda from onyame adema ye hye na yi na se fiada ne memenda ana the question that sounds na transport minister Toku Esiama Owusu unua ba na otwewe ewo dencha dominance eno so omode ehihye so yenkota adofo echi na me Adom so by fiada na 30 DCs no assistant omoshebre na ministers mako enkono ebinim be reassigned na ebinim so akwaji omahome enti mun take note of that.
Now you are appointing
na me Adom in fact ke ba another but enwema bi asasa nke mu enti na me Adom fiada MMDCs mako eduasa 30 and afi ministers so mako enkono emu mienu be reassigned na afi mo maka no dia makoji omahome e wo fie ya da St Andrews College of Health for asen fosu omo admit abemfo na nimdeɛ for into a 2-year healthcare certificate program and which we are say woni so na opeso to aso wakotoa OBSc public health nursing so extra coin number from 0546212637 and 0242863658 na fe ya da Kel brands no mo de and a Kel toothpaste aba and a Kate toothpaste and a Kel 360 toothpaste. There's another quality product from Samara Company Limited. For 0593809227 or 0246865798. No wait a minute one ending kita ho. La bintimu so ba kwansa Kofi aba na Kofi nkona som. No we wrap up. Okay, Kofi ti for Kofi na of wrap up my.
Well, one of the topics Mama was MPP for about 2 years or more, Ekoto Nanui. And for me, Nkrofobebre Akamwasem, that the level of monetization was really an eyesore. So the way you say in democracy, among yourself, you this sika, call this and especially in the MPP. Omwankasa or mumpini for bebre ababon tia berezi those issues. So yansheni year a big ye multi-party democracy, especially MPP. And they are right because omoye sano now infectious. Minya enunti ena yen especially on the side of the NDC sa LGBTQA any no nsem no e ka say ye mra ye legislate hu because bone ewo hei ujai na obaako bi sha say oh yeah it can extend to infect other persons. Enunti ena sika monetization of MPP politics no yankebia na yewo na yeden na ebi abeka ye nyina enkoye just MPP but idea ebe affect oman nyina. I am very confident say minim say Ghana for entoaba ma MPP. So omo koko say omo sika ye ni omo aye nyina no thinking say omo befa kwan bi so e dia betina yesu biom after 2024 no omo asan akoye ni omo ye na ye oman ni nyina impuntu ani enim kono abichi na omo personal well-being kwana eko enim ni de no ensi. The 2024 elections will bring a change and John Dramani Mahama will be the president come 2025. So MPP for omoye ni omoye omoye ko spend all those huge sums of money with the thinking say well omo party for atwaba eyi in most cases the highest person na utumituaye Ghana for ayaka no we will be voting for Ubia Obeba Beye Juma Edim Puntu Obeye Den Bebre Omaino. Party for now Kwakoyo party there. And clearly when you listen, almost you idia wintia, eitia more, entina yetuman ESA. And one of the persons miti ne Kasa after this was the Asante Achim North member of parliament, honorable lawyer Andy Piakubi. Okasa pa and he says say sana ebe koso dia onu next time onye den onjina biom obi jai party no parliamentary business obi jai ama party no onjina biom because sika say a wo be spend what they say kwa emfa bibia emfa manu he will not ebiom me hu reports and Crawford mo say oh husband, wife elected MP aspirants. Them say now more refer to Okaikwe North ni Esikado Kitan. Well, clearly, no, those two constituencies, the NDC Beba Parliament, are more than convinced. Satu, Okaikwe North, Honorable Teresa Ladi Winnie, are representing Omu so well. Say, first 10 member of Parliament the party kura any power. Uhwe nyama waye ewa fem on the ground nti ye beko ye primary school no party no collectively adi anka ye go through competition previously no yes party for no more no say they waye juma omunja no nko. The same could not be done on the side of what the MPP both in 2016 any year beko 2020 abano gentleman na no wo no he face stiff competition osaba biom na fe de ya kwa import another person from another constituency say ono wa ye ho ama we hu say eho aye so difficult for her ye hu ne to ne bibia ne performance no maybe okoho bioma enye ye no na wadwane aba another constituency now ekwapim ehokra ekwapim safa na north empewa na odwane aba okaikwe north omuno nje the okaikwe north no omo ye satisfied with honorable Teresa Ladi Awini the performance was our constituency no and almost Sunday no ebeba especially say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Oba Beye Mampinyi. This is not the time ye be yi if you na ye de obi aba be sheho. As for Esikado Kitan, in say Professor Grace Ayensu Dankwa
ono wini
why ye juma ewo ho and 2020 was hers and no. And now, Honorable Jogati
still believes that the woman was
Honorable well, she's not in parliament, so let's ignore about she won or she did. Nyamika and say, why ye juma ewo wa presenting no obia nim say oye professor mu professor. She is so dedicated to Eskado Ketan constituency. Nyama wa ye ewo since ye constituency no. Yeah, the Obama and the Abasa to represent the constituency. That's in the person of Professor Honorable Jogati. Wabeye Nidye. Or say, Onkobium. This is the right time to try Oba. So, and just say, Oyo Banti. Oyo Ba, Waye Nyama Bebre, ever from, even before becoming a member of what? Parliament. Now, Oyo Biswa, Oba Parliamentar. Obeko into very critical and important committees or even a national role obe player ebe boasa constituency. Ma yenko fa yenko ye mistake bia. So these two husband and wife there omobe only aspirants. Omeka ho they will not be MP. But omahini nia eha me pa any yendi. Subaya MPP for omuke yi ewo ho. Adieno Electoral Commission for Eddie Omo release Abba. Even in the Electoral Commission release in Ukraine, one of the candidates was even challenged, say, figure now, EC Fokra edition release, maybe no mistake be a woman because Electoral Commission say, Omo can up to 296 votes for one candidate, and some disruption, no, a course. One of the candidates also can say they have done up to 126 now, and yet 227 now, and yet 296 as stated in the release of the Electoral Commission. That's so a third national vice chairman of MPP. Otuminya results of 400 and something. Now 400 no okonya no wahi. 400 now the third vice chairman of MPP Ojina Hoa or boss any results are one of the candidates or no what declare say no now owini ye no okonya have numbers no wahi. Subeyi na ye kan omo say mayen kan. Minua adumako beef ni beka say oh ye kasa keke. Pio,
let me lodge this.
The
third vice chairman, Okojina ho with the regional chairman, or say or no, any regional chairman, Samba, or Mujina general secretary, Enim, Kasa, declare results Electoral Commission just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. What about Wali Wali?
What
about Wali Wali?
I don't know, circuit life unexamined. Life unexamined is not worth living. Since 1979, consistently, that has been the mantra of NDC. Nothing new. So the kind. I'm sorry so about Jabi Hinidin. Jabi Hinin council state chairman. Ashanti Radio Pekura ya ye hop pine pan Jabi number 1. It is all betrana the assemble kotomi hin anymore. Ya be very careful. Me free Jabi na makwaskore. Asema kikania dia di nyoke kensi ani Mr. Mfeno Emaho.
I know he's the chair of council of state.
NPP for and a woman NDC woman organizers na mo frɛ wo mo. So ade a wo kan and we see hine. Ba me mra sem we so. Menua. Se bre bi ba ya MPP, national executive, regional executive, constituency executive. I was here bo ma ba so a. This time is one of. And you among both MPP and NDC no MPP for mo ayi Stephen Tim ni kodua mo ya ade. Eno na haye nuan me nan komo free se betwe sekan. Ye call often constituencies menua asumdwe bai. Ye call we no se menua kofi ye science student me ye art student. Into am na this statistics here adwuma. Say out of the 100%, say yendi anasa baby ba kokra kom. Ye nyaya nkensesen ke koba ni sa o mahene. But comparatively so far so good. Ye babu o mabaso. Womo amadi nkunim no ye bu o mabaso. Baba akofo ntimi nante. Womo malusu no so ye bu o mabaso mo mekasa ye. Womo nyire ka bo ma ye adwuma. Na national executive the niam gukwam say omo be ye adwuma masomdwe no so aba. Of course, one of the reputations of a government and a party and is asomdwe and MPP has shown the way. Minia asema minia
the results na me
I am highly disappointed. Kofi
no
all right say be general secretary.
No
this cause I dey man pettiness
no results now
Kofi nyabotre
third vice chairman
Kofi Ukasami yedi.
No,
let's be
I want to be informed. No, I want to be informed. No. So that maybe
so
me mistake.
So you will now know that you are not informed.
No, numbers no konya no.
Numbers no konya issue. Numbers no konya no. When you were saying one the kind of bentwa any Kobe ever Ghana politics in. Ora Fisa Aguna ye call on Yesusa by ye Kai Griffiths any chematin bentwa mu Ghana for and nuntina free status no buy ya obi a wo dwene se ne ba ko free status no ye bentwa. Enu dan che me 20 picanto cast mu chei ema mo profo babontin be cast.
Look at these lights. Look at these lights.
No.
We must not allow this.
You are not the host.
You are playing Picanto. Me say me jitum. Ba nya omo mpna fo asem na meka.